Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadie we eye nkranhye dwumadie. Na me a wo hwe me edin yam yeso eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Enso twa ne tia wa fra me Nita ko a ya na emede. Meje wo so ya wodo. Me pa twa ho tesɛn. Me yiri sɛ ho ye. Me se enema bi wo ho a yankase ye yo a esi ye kwan ema yedie ne nkoso. There are things we do to ourselves that deny us success and progress, yet we turn around to blame others. I just want you to mention one or two things you've done that you yourself you know was a hindrance. Wa winim nneema bi wo ha wo yo ya kwansidie edema wo eba na osikasam eba na wadesua eba na waware na wapomodine na nana me de ba ko bi brewo. There are things we hold on to that we should have let go. There comes a time when you can tell certain things are holding you back and you know you will not be better until you let go. Maybe about we say nyoma bi, suban bi, adwene bi, kasa bi ni susuye bi, esiwo ani je kwan, esiwo nkoso kwan, woni pa bi. Say ya busuani say anyonko, ono esiwo kwan, adwene bi a wo dwen, aya kwansidie, se ka wotimi jamu, enso ya untimi nyamu. I bet you, it is not that you cannot let you go. You just keep holding on to it, probably because it serves a temporal happiness. Ukra sa adwenem, say ni pa no oben because ebi akwan bi so no omawaneje. Sa nsusuye no ebi akwan bi so no e ma hoto. Nanso ahoto no a wunya no, enye ahoto a edoko yiyeye mu. Sa neje na wo de bre wo no, nye neje edoko yiyedie mu. Neje a tiawa na etwakọ. Nti abrabo a wo bui no ene da bu kompohwe abrabo mu na bisa ho se adwene ben na meta medwene ho atenka ben na meta kenya no ene ye ben na meta da na adie susu ye ben na ya mesusu ene nipa ben na mama okwan ya woni mekoba ya wodi minya na mpo wona da ne poison abrabo mu na bamodia na yifri ho. It is time you make character change a priority and stop holding on to things that aren't productive for you. Emne do ese ohunu se nsakaye ade ese edimu it should be a priority. Growth, success and development must be a priority. Mpuntuo ye de ese edimu awakwanesa so eba no apomodne wawade usikasam wadwumam enema wo ye nyina no se ohunu se mpuntuo ene ye de ebebem na ansana no na bo ha se ujamu na bo ha aya adeso na so wona adenam na ebi so timu ewo antobag mu ebi kura wo Ghana must go ebi kura wo ecolag ebi kura wo black polythene bag na adenam abrabom na edi unya abufuo oyawdie ye nwinwi ye tete ye hanhan ni nyina ya adeso aso wo empo onipa bi wa ya obibi a wontimi nya mu aya adeso empo asem bia ye ka kire wo nkwada abremu ye se ka waje mu no atu na muntuo ekurao ebia ne ye bia wokunu ana we da na die ana obi ana adwuma da na die se obegye mu na nipa na aka bo mu aye ba kono ekurao na ehye nipa na ye mahye oya minya na meye no wo ye saa wo ye wankasa ho ye saa udi ohunya naano ene wo ya no ye oye naano atwam naano ene esiye naano atwam enene ochine ho hia nti jai naano nsem nim na bisa ho se ne adwene ben na medwene be kenya mabrabo atenka ben na mekenya no ebe kenya mabrabo wodo endaso ejidie ne anagie ana kenya sa atenka we susu ben na mesusu emra ben na ese me di so na mama mabrabo ekoye. You know, the things that stop you are often from your own thinking patterns. You can replace them. Everything is replaceable, even you. Bibia ewo ehyanemu bibia ewo abrabo mu yebetimi de ahyanemu even adwuma wo ye kra eyi wudi ne obufo beba campus abrabo awobo adwene bia wo adwene mu yebetimi replace no atinka bia de tete wo nkwada abramo you can replace it. Belief bia de to adwene mu he na no ye nyini naka bi wo yakura ne achiro ka na chi fear woman and save your life suruma na je ho nkwadi be se hwe ye nyini na ma ye suruma ba ye nyina yedu ba bi wo se ma eya adehye e ma eya kronkron hira edemanipa ene ye ne enebu ha ye kato wadwen proso mra akwadaa no se wo frantomago enti udi apepragro wo ya akwadaa enti uni nyansa enti wo so de bia na wo ye nkwadaa neoma hwe ma men kan kire se emra me ya akwadaa no medwene se akwadaa me kasa asa akwadaa na mesusu neoma wo se nkwadaa na menyini ye die me jan nkwadaa neoma no wunyini a eya nebu ha se wo giam kakra. You need to replace childhood thinking with adult thinking. You need to replace emotional unintelligence with emotional maturity. Obu wase minim yonkofa. Isa say wan hunu do. Odo ye nsua, odo ye kasapa, odo ye ne ye papa, odo ye ahobrase, odo ye obuo ene ne ye safata na wado ye di. Indeed, you can replace your friends that are not helping you. You can replace the job that is making you feel suffering. You can even replace a spouse. You can replace an interest. Indeed, you can replace your thought. There's one thing you can never replace. That's your life. Therefore, live your life to impact others. Live your life by adding value. Live your life by thinking right and thinking positively. Your life cannot be replaced. So stop holding on to the things that are letting you lose your life. Nebo wa ukuremu enema wanenye. Nebo wa ukuremu enema wonkoso. Nebo wa ukuremu enema wodi yaw. Jemu kakra na penioma ne ya ebema eneje edwere wo. Baba yeboyi wo nyonko bi wo hia na aka otimu sem na ofio wotimi nye o wo de we say se nonko no ya beguro nyonko ense mfata se ne benante pe obi obehye wonkran book bi wa wo kan a enhye wonkran adebo ha hwe no TV so enhye wonkran radio program wa enhye wonkran ni na nyonko jamu na pesua hunu ene kasapa penioma behye wonkran a ebema wadwen adore nyansam na penyankopon ne mpabo nyamesuro odofo onyame nhira se wonya kwan atie me mbom paye se wadwene ebekọ adwenpamu watinka bekenya tenkapa na wonsusue kenya empanini susue papa na abrabo nsunsanso awie payo mamonna Adom TV mpanifo a ebo me achidom ase menna camera sound floor manager lighting MCR ena empo producers Randolph empo Priscilla Sandra ena eja Webek ampedu ase medamu nyina ase kwa wonya amrehwe mu so oni onyame ntina koso ana hwe badwam adwumade de doso na eba makrao.
Well, mame mo wachi na yenda trade upon Yankopon asese odi ene nso ache ene da ben kra yawada April ne da toso eye eduno 20th of April. The month of April cost you special and cost you that month na lots of surprises positive ebe odia. You know, all that your comfort of your room, no problem. Yeah, the human interest, sorry, neighbor. Yeah, the trade upon Yankopon asese odi ene nso ache bedwam on Adom TV, multi TV, so if we cyber copy him say non kuno air the airbo, bribia that the Mekai on say it is a collective responsibility. Nyina ya said there says see it me on my Ghana ho. Near twa dwene. Man ko dun pempen so a menu nyina no. Santo mana e free titi. Ya pese Ghana fefra no. Enyima etima make sure say etima ya santo mana fra. Ti kopim say Ghana be fa ntuma pa efra. Diato simbia no ewo menu yana montum ya brabom Ghana nyuma ahodo me ba pomudi nsem adesua nsem edan ho asem ekwan ho asem eba bibia sikasem nsem a until we fight to that point na yebeka se afedi ebetimi ahome na yaka se enkoapa no kofo ye ne yedi kakra hu no kore a yedi abotri che ne be hye no we will continue to fight for the good of Mother Ghana. Ntokwakuo ni ma no ebetie ebinum ebepia bi magu nchen ebinum behwere omonkwa ebinum benya yade. It is for the common good of this country. That is why ebribia ye tusa na monwe no wuni a obenya akwanya se obaye kandifo ana obenya tumi bi Ghana na dia ma no esese wutim di ye adwuma esefata if se nipa de omonkwa na eto o ma Ghana yedi ti se onyame ye wadom na ohun mobo na unya kwanya jina Ghana na mo baabi a obia so ye dwadini so ye centroni so ye gutani so ye obia ya manyosem so ye public or civil servant no you need to demonstrate that sense of urgency to serve and serve Mother Ghana well. demonstrate that level of patriotism, that level of love for your country and honesty for your country. So what you two say na mon way nyina dia, I can promise you that Ghana enche yebefa entoma pa efra. Efri bu be we nya ne achia enso emuye. Eguso chia sa de bia emuye. Esese man gina brane. Ne hu se ampa achia na emuye if me page dua na eden e de si ho. On this note, ebium mame mo akwa abada me mo achimbra ya wada shronko kra. If say baby a o mini se nsu na to dia ya eti eastern region e de nsu na to buburuja. Ama o hwe ne o microphone. Mo amomo titete sa me bi slingoyers na mo kwan nyina anye papa no. Mo so no nsu no emuamuna no kakra obata etimi anto ba ya o eastern region de ene akone pepepe. But ye the nyame asese all cost to nanim kire na ye gie di so se ye kuafo no so benya akwanya na enuaba ahodo a se omudua nyina titru ene tomatoes bo no ebia na onkodwom di ameka paint rubber no 100 105 110 120 nti enye dwuma ketu adaka no kwa de ontimi nka nti se wo ye obi a de tomato di dwuma kase pa de a na se esese ye bo ma kuafo and dey bia that the conversation keeps coming up. Edubre na tomatoes kwa odi agro a ye bebo paint rubber na 20 series 15 minutes series ina na wonya bi wodi woni kire adro ba sa abre no enya ebre e wo akire bia o fa adaka mu ani na 250 series ene okobusa adaka ne boa ebi ni nam 3000 3500 4000 kako 5000 cause auto paint rubber baako 100 series and 95 series and 120 e kire ese enema mu titru yedin neoma bo kostro neoma bo be kostro especially when Ghana man paying through mrashi bedwam eto miensa na wono de nsa ahya ase no nti hwe anim o ya gutafo kasa kese pa wona ya asusu AGI fo so kasa pa so man paying sa na montu awatui ehun sunsuanso no ebeba Ghana fo so let's brace ourselves up eno adana meka we kosi sen yakọ IMF kwa ba we de yakọ pa me o si yakọ ti me friend IMMF na 17 times as o man de ho o man ya si ye sovereign country na bribia da no agi adwumakuo bi ana ba betutu esi kase man sa IMF ne ya fa yonko mfie mienu eda anima Ghana hihye ya fa esi kase bibia be ko kama sa yonko fa ne ewie mfie mienu ana mfie miensa no wie pe na bibia sa budichi. So it tells us there's a problem with us. Dear Yana say, ye Kwame Nkrumah mre bi atwa kato say obibini na nkasa eya menu mienu aye bibifui. Yensu ye betimi ahwehwe ye nneoma so edi ye ho so abobra se fata. We always don't need a third force or hand or power to control the affairs of the black man. Unfortunately, Oba o my Ghana mo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 times we've gone to the IMF. We still don't see any change. There's a problem with us. In Pijawani Tempa and Football in Koma, one a man yourself and original name Echichiri Mino. O Kamubi. Mr. Kamubi. Tibribia dan se agitum saadia na ye nipa wona amabe ye kan difo a ye nipa bia saa keke kwabna santi soa kwabna santi say o kwabna santi say by be nipa based on merit. It's meritocracy. But unfortunately brofobia no be can square pegs in round holes. The aye who crash say kwane the caliber of people are if we are not careful in this country, and check, turn into crooks, cowards, people who use to do weird things at the expense of the country. People who get political power just to milk and that's why the American yes and for is a responsibility on us to be truthful and bold and unbiased to deliver for the masses because we represent the masses. Any part of Duana and Timinya Quenya, Entimini mpanyimfo ni nkomo said onyame adom ne nahumobo ye nya saa kwanya no. It is a big responsibility on us as journalists to do what is right 99% of the times. Very important. Because Ghana for do na nkasa won gidie ni won wure. Amazingly, ashemu. Do na we can't disappoint, we can't fail. Eti bribia dan say we opposition you, say we government in power, it's also incumbent on you to be patriotic, to love the country, take decisions that will inure to the bigger picture, so we will benefit. We should not always be thinking about our friends, our family, our party people. The MPP is not in power because of MPP Fonko and to Abamano. Ghana for Binima, one or two Abaka MPP at this year. Na the MPP abegina. Saa so na aban bi a wo ba bia no so ye NDC so ye PNC so ye CPP. That's the point. Again, ade e koso di enya ne ha ye twetwe ye ho politically. Any political party in opposition is seeking for the downfall of the government in power. And it's the same Ghana. Tubefenam paye pa we get experience dum so kra. Na e we dia obofiti no pa no. Ghana need this year. So if we don't wish good for ourselves, we pull ourselves down. Now, you expect to say Ghana will develop to the height that we are all looking for. It's a joke. I'm here to encourage all of us. Ampa achia emuye. There's a lot of mismanagement in the system. Ampa enye papa. There's a lot going on in the country. Ampa emu rem. But it does not in any way give you that opportunity to resort to insults, blackmailing, character assassination, lies, dishonesty. Because these traits, and chichiri kuro, a bokru, issue any buy American was him, and chichiri kuro, we are contumpo for, which 20 which nipa sign, who ditro, a buffo, yaudie, with all pobia shiasie, a kaba with the Nimuguase potokra, you see the Nico 39. All this kind of mentality, a bokru, a the hoyaba, a the flipe, unquano, a bushia, unquano, now for, unquano, old schoolmates, Munqua bibia, Munqua. And your party near there be Munqua. When you are a bokru, a band sassy, ye tonton, basa. Afi bedu baby abana kra pade aya mo man addition onya baby afanye bana nkra na aton e de tumi ma nipa no matonton aposifo ye kana sichi aposifo adwuma no tumi se we de obi an se kwa ha so aposifo se kwa ha nukredi ankasa for man no humte oko hospital nurse ni hwe ani mo se mpani ho woman 300 series no wanyampa. Wow, how do we build a country like that? How? Obi wu or the bench so, ya the drape city so, empire never to so as impenio. A teacher for so, say, or more GGB, a children, and much children, quadadie. The normal schedules at a classroom crown are a problem if you don't pay. It is on mine and Casano, you sue any a buying. That we take a lot of things for granted. That's what is happening to us as a country now. The solution of this country, the problems, is not in the MPP or in the NDC. Say, one bit to me, it's a collective responsibility and the kind of leaders that we appoint or elect. Ti wo hwe obi aka kanu amna ko nim so oye kromfo sebe. O so onkom na shebedwam. Onim so 419. Onim se onu bukata na oye. Oni suban papa no de akotena emrashebedwam. Osusu onu ana abeto ama no. So when the country is going back, eko dichia, why na akoka na asem? Onim so omuade edidi atama hwe ne ma. Sa nipa na apaso e kan before. What do you look at when you are electing or voting or appointing for somebody to a higher office? Unim ni pa. Unim no, yes, unim ni pa. So those are the challenges that we are facing. Until we come to that realization, it's a main immigration officer, main G10 cities, MOB, and Jemu. Until we get to that point where you say your customs for your immigration or your airport no a bia and only Ghana any munyam. You know, it's yen nyoma and sem fata honum. Until we get to that point, that post before you na kwamu na de bia da wona gitwo. Until we get to that point, that Central for will be truthful. Yan fa bi mfiafia ho te se de Ghana asasem si na gidi amanyo sem a ensem fata enfam punto bia mre se sia ne akoboko adu se ana ikwala ne deda ajanan bia na esuade ana edidi basa. Always we are creating tension and chaos. Until we get to that point where we know that the Electoral Commission is an independent body. Yankofa a highly exposed political person. They say appear here and I say appear to say when Enkwashe Electoral Commission. Until we get to that point. Because if we don't try to tell ourselves the truth, the next administration say Koye MPPR and Koye NDCR. Can you imagine that Yero for some of the Electoral Commission chairman? Asabia ye twabia enebia no. Ene Ghana embrane ne hihye ne nyoma bebrebo ebra no. Ehun susuaso no da ho de mai. It is really to encourage you. It's to encourage you. It's to encourage you. You know that ehun hia kasi pass oti ase de ntia we Ghana ni because the man foundation no maba. Omo beka bia to aso. Oti ase se we Ghana ni. Ti ase de ntia we Ghana ni. De ntia nyame do call public or the civil service nim. Ti ase de ntia nyame mo akoye dwedini. Ti ase de ntia be centroni. Ti ase one stubborn unit appear on this country require driver for commercial drivers. Reasonable percentage of them. Very lawless, reckless. And yeah, na won akwa say Ghana for to share anymore. Na driver for kaka basa. Obi ankasa. Aji green. O say na na bi okufi, okokra so okokumase. Na na kra antin na nim anche no. Nti ni suspect say onu na eku no. Na your mental issues. Bibia esi Ghana bia na honhom ana obi na choku we na paper na toy ana o yesi unko hospital for the past 15 years. Un check uni pedua no. Una mana obuhwi na wu a o se bayi na eyo. Why? We've corrupted our mind with certain mentalities. Utimika was made for the past 20 years me see hospital that no dey pa unwodin. Now you should man diesel truck na kurana eno kura kokora e di ba bia brakes na ewe man diesel eno kura denche ebo wow nim se ontiapo o sha na oti prayer camp here baba na ujidi se o de be adwuma o pa adwuma o te asori fi Monday to Monday na man at time no akwasi be boa me mo man at time no na nyame onkonkon kra be na Monday to Monday no wa pagya wa hwi tem na odo abesi adwumam na oye adwuma na wasa back how is it going to work like that? How is it going to work like that? Monday to Monday say gadabo utapo ita ready why? The 40 days fast to baby, 120 days fast to baby, 32 days fast to baby. The Christopher says 71% of this country. She chrono ni awudie ni ntitwitwa ni ediseye ni paseye ekoso omanmo. Is that a reflection of what we go every Sunday to go and learn? How? Mr. Everywhere, Bibia break it down. And then Ghana phone call that Omudi Trokra Chain Bibia. They are smart in Trudy. But their parents are teaching them. Oh, or you knew catch your mammy, catch your fast, catch your. That's the problem. Entity yankasa ye di ma yankasa as Ghana for no ye year to baby. Na ye copy so a ye copy mane bros na nka LGBTQTWMYZ ene o man nankasa intimacy po. A Christopher hwe nkremofo hwe obi a ye hwe han obi azusu. Ade no so oba Ghana ha eye chiwade. Eti akandifo no be able to. I'm surprised. The Pentecostals and the charismatics and the Muslims. I'm so surprised that we cannot push and force that this is the position of this country. Omani and take position. We have continuously been cowards and hypocrites. So I'm careful. And Russia will be filled with lesbians and gays. Mad dying. I feel number here. Because you are talking about our sovereignty is in doubt. It hardly can we really take a position on this matter. Omaya, bauxite, lithium, gold, diamond, cocoa. Keep mentioning timber. We are rather going a begging. And the things now fall apart. I must send an intimate who will be in class. What kind of leaders? What kind of citizens have we been from 1992 up to this point? What kind of leaders? And what kind of citizens? Omanya okop kwasi machi okop baby approach for a bonsa no ansa no to kwan na kohwe mabunu pa exit this country. Ona nimdie ene ahoden kro bia fapem no they are rather going to give it to another person. A kro fufro. Minim de ode beso so mama wachi.
Oka mabunu e free Ghana ena kai me na no do adasema. Titus Glover ebekai about tour workers here na free Ghana echo other countries. Yo manya experience for over 15-20 years. Tour workers go Iraq, Afghanistan, Dubai.
They are going to excel, super excel.
Etiafe ye pisika be ye to ye no.
Oh Jesus.
Ye South tech. Akofan kofa betete wo.
Jesus.
It will feel someone who could take cruda or experience hands over Jadi about say, I feel I want to face you, Dumano, but they bring some more.
Because we wake up every blessed day, MPP, NDC, and yeah, discussing policies, yeah, discussing idea de buntu oba. There be the ekonina because ye will be held responsible. Yeah, generously, dear, you know. One because yeah, sansa for ya could before just. Inyapadia hudo nyane dachi sika nyina epegu nya yankase de sa bom ye sa dia de nya
o ma uka media sem me de bia me yensem trade ba meka o mem fombo fandodo na free yensem trade
me ndi uchim
o man enya ensentrefo no nko as journalist no but the real yama media plurality no abedoso am obi afi so o kapre ne simple obetimi abienti no no abie no agya no honom. Share this report by Enura, University of Ghana. See a chance central for as below as 500 Ghana cedis. Eti patewo san central no asem papa ben eno betimi dia bro. 2 your politicians sorry and am central form wa enchechere semu. Oban ye mududu na anti most of the issues across wo imam say. Most journalists here work Ghana mass communication. The most of them you don't have technical knowledge of most of the issues.
Mass communication, a lawyer.
Yes.
A lawyer, a teacher.
A teacher.
Over these 3 areas and are dominating
media landscape. It depending about Branya, but church and St. Trent, we said, "May assembly bar." Or bet me at him, no. It is a training assignment, not for energy ministry. Because the technical terms want to see now Pano Copano Casa Jomama by Wanya.
And no affair
any issue.
That's the most important thing.
Yes.
But and can't cry.
The main issue here said, Yankania Elko Eldum. Now, point just the technical aspect in the woman say, but some training just yet. Now, who can say, Jomama by Anya Hina?
Womb, the whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
Jomama Anya. Yeah, found up. Your mama, and
but the technical aspect in the best solve your issue, Namayano. Your Janissa. And your Jama politicians na only media landscape.
Well, so
yeah, back 2024.
Yeah.
And the Ghana radio stations came over 800. Oh man, now America crest, best of 450 to 500.
By 800, if one of your media.
Yeah, quite.
It's for politicians.
Yeah, do elections are near being so. Elections near
It's for politicians. It's for politics. It's so unfortunate. The acquisition of radio lines is another subject for conversation. But maybe our power, then call for baby 100 ATB radio stations at a go.
Yes.
So that's it. We are not measured in anything that we do. We are so self-centered. Yeah, you Ghana won. Baby, I can kono maka. Enche bia no anya careful. Uti ufie. Ye mekum, ye meye ohwe. Uwura ho a aduane a kwabra santu ufie a e bo woni sube tre na wasese aduane na fe meja ona meko.
Yes.
If you don't help your next door neighbor, or you're a security threat to you. So you say na strong one na mudidi a ase of for the boomer ubedwane onemu mrika. It is better to put in measures, policies, decisions that will impact the bigger population than the few people are more enjoy.
And that kind of utempotemu na se o security and pray my uncle
Debbie
because I'm not for tumpotemu so antimi and support you no be atansia omo to show so untimi
Debbie
ye pe ye hu me too much Ghana adoso.
Well, it's about what you the work at him there bring my uncle Macau say na ya the 20th of April onyame ya doma may Kyle Bill say you need to be patriotic for this country. So too much. Hey ya dear be so too much. What when ya kokudo so dia cassette ya enipa bi no mana montu atosin. Mabunu nso yentie na mo hye so. We ye babuna there's something we tell ourselves go through the process. Mabunu dodo na susu say Opeso Centronia, I just didn't arrive at this point. Because he can't acquire into one shot here, you can't expect say we. But John Poa could see anymore so nembebu.
Yes.
When you are 18 and you are now starting the journey, untimin kasa ope iPhone 14, 13 at a go. Unless you fakwati kwan. And our phone will be a man broso. Go through the process. Who shall fit in Ultimate for 3 months. We are see me them upon me o boss and bless you. No jaw into the old man for cars. Maybe the oil go not in sugar. Oh, your babuna jitum said there are options and opportunities in this life. Me tonam. We are Mr. Bois China phobia me construction. What banamia me a part of the NAMTON process now. You'll be amazed. But I have to. And you opportunities with my cocoa, with my improco, Nanchi, Imponchi, in Yan, Gaining come afford that to say, and Yan cry and soto, and then cocoa. Opportunities with me to pano, with my caterer, and they deco for one school crabber, learn some, and then the they make up, he cost more than the abba. Oh, Timmy, not same found son show Debris from Uncle Casa. You expecting that one kill, oh, papa, oh, Sewa, Unyabi, a bine, be force, be baby, be wire. We've gone past that age. Timabru's munya careful. A lot of young girls, most of married sort to say, Modiana say money, member the best, ever call up and down, sana. Posterity is going to judge all of us.
Ghanaian Times. Improving police welfare. President inaugurates 322 housing units to provide accommodation, modern facilities for personnel. Alleged treason trial. Witness denies manufacturing guns for coup. Economy expands by 3.1% in 2022 according to Ghana Statistical Service. NPP NDC urged to allow police carry out duties.
I don't know Obi say a dano a junior staff. I don't see that about many issues. A dan picture who is but I'm consider junior staff.
Oh, what's
the will be catchers with the best senior officer to Debbie. The BR, baby, a strong one.
Yeah. But we senior folk. We have many ideas. Say, Alice or Mano, yes, should be the free. And Canada and Yesima police. Yes. And as I say, the police never team the free. Yes,
that's what we can. Please, for the busy free, I will you know. And no, I can't wait to see some say. Yeah. IGP car Kasabi or other president as you know.
Okay.
So now the way you a broad draining tears. So Napoleon, we are continuing to ask for more.
Yeah.
Now Osashe man paying bosse. So how do you be a work Ghana full team? So I pose phone your money.
Yeah.
I pose phone to me CC be or more.
Yeah.
Or Shen na bosse president Ekufuado.
Okay.
Bosse. So how do you nana my paper that until the number police headquarters corner.
Yeah.
What who say a nim ho nyina
or much design.
That's the promise.
Yeah.
Nana do danko Ekufuado. Na monitor baby odi na charge Joseph no. Na Minister of Defense, your friends need to, right?
Yeah.
No, two Joseph. Yeah. Nana do Joseph for them na watch channel. Adudi. And when say a protocol just but need to na me need commodity.
But yeah, please follow. So my son, I say I'm for a perception. I'm for police barracks.
Yeah.
Omuko hu enema ekoso. But yeah, ne be muso kasa dana kasa omuwo no. Ni ma bia kedi kwase ba bonten.
Aba.
Na aba.
Omu fridge ni say no am ka ba ko chiri obi se mi am dance. Ukosira na the fridge se but
no manya ne e betimi dia hye. Em say nya enkranko omu sibi so wa. Yes, yeah, no so e mu suspend for the military. I think say say e ko ne sia. It's your man Ghanaian Times no. Mami share Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic.
President inaugurates police barracks at Kwabenya.
I'm sure they cover all the
Oh yes. Political capture of media risky.
Very risky.
Yeah, can was and
the Vanguard about it. Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard will have. There's a Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard.
Okay, Vanguard war. Maybe had them.
Yeah.
Or see, IMF loan facility now a done deal. Okay. The Nyamia say. Finance Minister they can say. You see, accept Nana nominees. Family received 25,000 compensation after purchasing fuel mixed with water. Wow. Wow. And MP fired it.
EC accepts Nana nominees but Nana Besisa Baku.
Okay.
Nana Besisa because we cannot politicize the electoral commission.
Yes. Family the ensuno. You more MP for so abaso.
Family for see me ko bu petrol sometimes Zongo Junction. Me ko see ko bu petrol Zongo Junction. Nipa no ade ba kwa kai me kwa. Fuel station or fuel attendant no.
Yeah.
Me drew on. Phone sinaswa ma me catch and say enye diesel eye petrol. Me say on tie cross. Yedi kan phone esi was call station no. Eti amra. One tie cross me udi ya me car petrol na me
diesel. Yes baby.
That be we no obusa say oh chief mpacho diesel na say petrol na me say response the man ka. Ana because dem here no ana me no na me say sasa. Me tie hwe.
Yeah.
Na me call the boss no host street. Now I'm say mechanic petrol you are filling the mass dying diesel. Me so me call Kumasi at this material moment. Kwa ambe first mo
training out. Mabu petrol ba me no.
Ehwa papa ni attendant nedi. But that was not even enough for me.
Yeah.
The inconvenience I know creating Ghana football I didn't pay attention. And I'm taking this opportunity to tell attendants no. Ubedru on yes me use phone.
Yes.
Na attendant me use phone.
Yes.
It won't even yaku kudro kran kan kire wo say wo engine no
dum no
ukuta utie call so on timi because ono anka say obu nyina no ne nsa kuta pump nim na ne nsa ba ko so kuta phone nim o ma ya wo no
yeah o ma ne be ko na we dey quick one emfa asem de ka to aso na that just aka be say 4 minutes I say me say 4 minutes na da so jira mu dia o ma ye di ka kan was Council of State the appointment of Dr. Apia Hine Yentimi so. We go back to the drawing table. Na mne mampedi enkasa. Na ya reverse the appointment.
We nye bibia ye mpam no nye se
enye adibia eye difficult bia. Nipa na e kan wasem no. We true NPP ni. And na no ban ebe na me ti say na MPP for bika and na NDC for so even say eh shame. Na bia me say MPP for call this liar. Na monti ase de enti Ghana for to abadema in 2016 and 2020. So what you say the Ghana for to abadema wa the mistakes of NDC no umfa me ye yastic to commit sin. Yet that we quick yet abrante Dr. Apiahene and come wa odie as a true NPP man. When I at say inkunim nimdia FM yeah. That apart yet be quick one yamra is here.
Nukure woman say MPP as a political party and MPP government. You see, someone say the year live in the bar and a more we need 2024 elections. Yeah, mama that opportunity. You know, this voting to yourself, you are going to change a chance. Sa the copy Supreme Court. Mo na mo say abano yisi ewie mama mo. Anamude yisi ni MPP. Ako anamude yisi ako court na MPP so one of the respondent. Yisi mo ka ma asem wie na MPP say ye kwa ni kasa judge na na oti adwa mu ti fa ndisi fo na numa asem no mo kan fo mu de na fa bu asem na maye ye di fo abuefo anu ndisi fo mu ye kum
okay yewi edamose mo me nkoso titire Ghana na Ghana nkoso yewi agozi de show mu so yewi edamose yewi that's bre ya chiao that's bre osibusu what it ya kwesi dino the person no pay betia for because that's bre wadara ma no hima ya chia mu nyina ahafo ahefo ni ahima nyina so ya chia mu ediasi ya to adwumade ni so.
Right, I'm saying, yes, I'm Wakwa, but I'm not so young, some cost a good year, and I'll pay Suyana Dawson. Yes, a fantastic alternative on the April. Kitty we say, and yet do Arabia, oneexpert.com, the SIA corner, and in some dear bro, betting companies in the year be a bassy see. By some tour by beer, or more dream, quite over first with Duomo. Yes, and you will be due at oneexpert.com. Because all sorts of options have it made every day. OneXBet.com. I know Danchanya Sedimo gel and roll on Sedimo pin biabe kwai Sedimo fa twitwi. Now was something they there rado so Jifas measure mwesia konkon amwe gyina nan so ese obey me mwe gyina nan so obey mo Jifas measure yete mo so ne asore kura nymakwe de esia konkon na ye den sam na de bro Sergio Mano Chobana pare bo hwe me producers Kejuana Kasa ne Eric Ase edu buari you better say the UEFA Champions League and 48 goals was season in our competitions. Abrante Erling Haaland asem na making goals wabo at Man City no 12 goals. Right, so no na the square and you share more say semi-final games now be baso. They say Inter Milan AC Milan intense or Champions League mo and derby de Italia na baso anya sam ketwa kra Italian derby ding San Siro and go sepe Mieza and Empire ne be match the mobile den German nyasam keto Man City and so ne Real Madrid the bepem so first leg be Barca Bernabeu na face you know the second leg Abaso Etihad we ni say 9th May and first leg you know Real Madrid and Man City be Barca na finish 10th May AC Milan and Inter Milan so Eddie Abweni where the UEFA Champions League won sabana pay yete Brewona yefo ne kopie mu na Europa League quarter final second leg games be Barca AS Roma and final neighbor Sevilla and in Manchester United now Man U now Casa we are na Saturday Roma Sevilla be take and United will be here eso gre na ho Sporting Lisbon and Juventus also the be Buenia anya sam keto akra so we and Europa League games be Barca the Conference League and also a quarter final game second legs and so be koso the be pim bia no there on some ebe bro and so from oneexbet.com can one idea some idea bro oneexbet.com betting companies na also na the obetima discount no oneexbet.com. Now, Yamra Fima had the Kosovo Fear, the 2023 Africa Games. Naka Sanke hosting a Fia and Fampany for Piaquasha, Fia, Ebisimo, now local organizing committee chairman, Ayora Kwaku Suicide, or then some Eto Eja. Say, I didn't able Hustina, a man 4 year in influence, when you influence, woman, and yeah, near my papa, Ghana Benya Fiwa, and come back, boy, crime, Yari, one who's the
I think people are a bit skeptical about whether the African Games are going to come on or not, whether we will have the facilities or not, but I want to use this opportunity to assure you that the government of Ghana, the president himself, is extremely committed, and the African Games will come on. The African Games, the facilities are a hybrid model, and we have Legon, the University of Ghana. Those of you who just use the main road, the Polo Road, you see how the University of Ghana Stadium is coming up and has come up. I think.
Right, yeah, I don't know bit my far. Now next year, we do only facilities. They don't facilities. Facilities are how do I hear you now? To me, I hear you. Like I say, boy, G-Fast Mesh can one up and then some of the April. It be down nice so be my G-Fast Mesh. Be down nice so bar. G-Fast Mesh. I am copying waka Great Olympics or Mwakachi. Name more ya day. Until landlords, I feel almost say and kind of me landlord no. Omu 12 you feel na high. No makoso ka person saying kind omu tare na why games nin ko yim fam relegation. I'm in essential when in pa. Ti amo enim said e be bom pan some be fi akra copy so ka kope na ma hwese betimi atna league ma Jindo Moroshita or Japan ni osina kan e de ma Great Olympics. Then somebody to dwa and say ya say Olympics relegation zone mu a ade na hwe ombeko na so ombeyire mo aye de obetumi bia so ombeka so ka kope ne beboa.
Well, it's
our rich tennis club and no Tantra Hill. In Krahanum Hono. I can't see Kasebi to ya.
Well, it's not easy, you know, like especially when you're a foreigner, you feel somewhat more responsible for the team's result, you know, because I think there's a lot of things you can contribute on and off the pitch. Every game is a game that counts. I mean, we can't even lose one game, or even a draw would be a very disappointing result. It's a very, I would say, a tight situation right now for us.
Right, Jindo Moroshita. Well, you also kind of Great Olympics now. All China dream war the Olympic season and the idea. Pacho, Sedimo gel and roll on a 2 pain beer film. Every pain, a 2. Sedimo gel and roll on. Now, set tennis by a corner or Ghana no. Former Black Stars players via Fatwa Monso. I'm going to present this video. Mwajimenye easy. Nankia Samojan. Prebia ne 7 tornado appear so than Mwajimenye some keto akra. Nano one Dr. Pounds penny behe. Nanya some keto akra.
Our rich tennis club and no Tantra Hill. In Krahanum Hono. I can't see Kasebi to ya. And Kanesa Hini Edma Black Stars. 7 tornado appear. One multimedia presenter, Dr. Pounds. Edipo Mua. Nessa tennis, I can't say Emua Yere Sebenta. Only I can't say Bosso. Yana Shani Moose and one nebedim kunim. A copy say, Afanu Mienu, Obiani Makano Esipa. And so Korea say, na Dr. Pounds. Actually say, Nimetri Emodru. No Gusua Woli Dia. 7 appear. No torch Maka Krenti. I can't see no entumi ambawie. And I can't see ni na bawie no. 7 tornado appear. I can samu kakra. I can see 2 dwa no and afei tennis I nei. What in one gym?
I started to train, and now I'm 1 year, 2 months, and I've been playing some tough games, winning some, losing some. So it's a nice sport, and I'm really enjoying myself. As for Rich Tennis Club, every Saturdays I come here to play my matches aside at times at Labadi with my coach NT. Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself, and I mean the club here we have some noble men who too are good in tennis. So we come here, we try to have fun together. But when we are playing games, I mean, we're serious na shame.
Umsa can say na Mary yeah. Now so Dr. Pounds and then Dikane. Naturally say mpinifu apeja ne nsasa ono na di nkunim no. Ono so jakasemu a I can see 2 dwa no.
First set, Michelle, 6-3. Second set, me leading 4-3 and no pull out. I think Steve has done so well. He's played for like a year, and the year that he has played, Obon Homebody, what I say, Obon Homebody, and we are trying to promote Ghana tennis. It's a fine game. Tennis, our age people say, Omo Mbebo tennis, because it's a game. Who you see BBA? Why do you Juma 1 9? it's a fine game. Tennis game be a fine. To me, you be as a form of
Dr. Richard Apietu, executive chairman at the Rich Tennis Club. Papa Yenene Kasaya, no watch say. It sounds so pass Ghana tennis, a corner nimunti, and a BIFFA. What's yes you? Nafe, and your tennis and qua, and a bon hot. You may dear who be now, what would Nichira Rich Tennis Club? Yes, I didn't know.
Rich Tennis Club, yeah, tennis facility, your other Nyoma ha, a month for me Baba Germany. Apart from tennis, no, we have swimming. That man for bit my swim, I be swim both in Penin and Kuala Lumpur swim. Those who also want to have pool party or enjoy themselves can also come and swim. We have a restaurant that is coming up. Apart from that, we have a spa and a sauna that you can come and massage. So here now, when I'm a Joanna baby bit my bunny bit me meow. Yes, our gym so ha a boama person exercise and so much me baby gym, yeah, aerobics and so ha. Apart from that, in your 15-room Airbnb, almost to quite one and your mom will have person baby dance to meet my bed.
Right, see, yeah, the home gym. You know, the home gym na Adonai come. Yes. Seti Mochel and roll on with this yak on Quano Penny. And some right here, Seti More, be a funnel pin who they said him. The be a funny pin who said him. Yes, Senes Pharmacy now Faba from 0208 219129 0208 219129 and 0208 986731. Senes Pharmacy now man for two dodo sansa airdrop papa. Yes. Sadimo gel and roll on G-Fast mixture. So can one open it in some idea, bro. Pin Biabequa, Sadimo, but so be down 9 so bar and also be me more. G-Fast mixture. I'm okay, one open it by oneexpert.com and so a betting company. No, Ajin Hinipa, my woman for a DC Casano. Oneexpert.com. Your sponsors, no, and Sergio Manucho, Bana Paributri. More and I am a producers and I pay ya dear by image wear, the share matadia tadia kama kanokre. Yes, a man in image wear from 0546 452 111 0546 452 111. Image wear, the share matadia and I pay. I say, or the Nankasabaka Kijuane, Erica Sedu body near Koswa Hebigum.
Badwam senior Adom TV the address no na say braso se etina say na edi nkomo beda se se waka ye ho a free fiti ase na be kan ye ho aso e de akwa wie sempensempense mu ebewie na afei dwumedi aka hodo ekoso Adom TV so no obehwa kopem se wanka se wani bekumu a Obodumu TV na wada meda sepa na matna sesei no na kai se DBS Industries Limited ekwame mu edan sie hu ne manyina wo de kodan wo mombeye ama wabo ne dafo wo ne dru bronya se omutumi bodan so che omanfo free nti free de kwani DBS fo nko an eni nkita ho St Andrews SHS oba natural BEC in social wawie ansada anko yesa wo ne ndaso wo banda achimwa mesrewo eni St Andrews mpanimfo nto nchia na fa aba ne hye wo munsa akora na be twama wa akora be ye onwanwa Richoko adeachi anopei abatan yenom wo mo menom akoda ni ko school afabi egu ensuohiem na ode mo kakraka ho wawia ne sa opekra no a we na ye creamy and afesa ye chocolate mo kanka ho kra si chie nyina wom ubetimi anom na afa ama wanopa no aye kama Franco Trading Enterprise phones laptops accessories printers bibia wo pepia no fridges TV air conditioners ni nyina wo de biaba enti download Franco app ne to phone so uba wura hodo mo anema ne bia buogu ho utua ka wo dan anokra no awo mo ede ebebrom St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School so abama wo chro ye wantwa enso still no apese okosua pa hodo bia fa kodan St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School no mo nsa mo na sa chro ne twa ne yie na asuapon ya abasue won so ekobisa anwumekoi ene kura mo matena se medi dwumadi ebro na abusua ye ba bedi nkomo apomudi ho nkomo ne eba bedie odifo atena se odifo nya atena se so pe na onim se ye ko givers herbal wo mo akache enti ye nko ne ni nkomo odifo machi
Badwam Joso
na mpombo ko de
nyame adom na monso he
Yakopon gususura ye ene de na givers
da ya meta na ohia wo efidie so ba ne de wa ho fe na ye dutwam
medase party ye de givers nkomo de na mo de som ye
once ene nkomo no so na ye sronko na ma me fa nchakase mfa ma ya hwefo na nchakase nso efi givers eba center akachi ene ye nkofa bai ene ye na no for Dr. Solomon Kwabi na daroma ene ne ye de nche ede magana de hye nyina na won se mpampi no se obi didi anaso obi di aduane a or how so aduane ne gina ne bo bon sa ade be kye na ose aduane no wo ne mfe na ne nyina no se ufa nipadua na ya wade bi onipadua no mu anase nipadua na akwa bia na atumi boa ema nnuane akodo a yedie no eno na atumi yam no eno na nche no nso no wedi se aduane ne nyina nso awie na eba kwakoko mawo ni apoto kan se kan eye end product anase na awie ye no eno na ma eye onipa bia hoɔden ema ne tumi adidi dwuma hodo a wotumi edi enti ufa nipadua na ye woni efe no eye pancreas no ewo mu na pancreas no ni dwumadi wodi nso o produce ni efe no eye insulin na produce insulin na wie no na aduane ahodo a yebedi ni nyina no eno na yam no na end product no akwakoye glucose enti glucose no na ebe ma wa hoɔden ema da ne da wonwuma ahodo a ya awokoso no etumi akonkan na wotumi nya hoɔden na ebre ni edo nyina na eno na sa ankwankoba ne sa na entumi enkwanko wie pɛ yenso a na ka me yanse nipadua no ayade apomuden no entumi enkonkan eno na ade be kye anopa na obeka so we na aduane na wudi ye ni egina obo ena aduane no wo yem ena aduane no na de bia no wo complaints ahodro eno nti ena eye give us eba center yakofo edupa dia ba so wo sa o how no mu bi wo bi a o se aduane ni die no nso no ebre edon ene bia obedi ni nso nyina eka ho obi wo ha na judesuo mu kura no ndudu ba ko na fe na wokota ne ankwan wo ho anase wokodi ni mu odu eba ne saa na se na aduane betumi ayam anase system no ebetumi nya hoɔden atumi aye no eya na ewo fam enti se betumi awie peye na bia wo bia otadidi eye late anase na judesuo mu a na ese otumi pa drupa na udi wie ya pa na otumi ano eno na betumi aboa maame no ka se na ade enkonkɔkye ma nka se aduane no wo yem aduane gina mfe edro no nya edro bia se give us herbal mixture ena sa wunya na ononom a ebetumi aboa ma ebre ne edro nyina no nnuane ahodo a yedie no etumi aboa ama ya pomuden na etumi wie peye esa se glucose na ebeba ma wo awieye no eno na obenya hoɔden na wonwuma ahodo a wokɔ ene da ne da wo nantemu nyina so na etumi akonkan na sankwankoba ne sa na eya de ho na mmerɛ ene ye de bra eye nipadua no enti se wo ye mmerɛ opɛ a se ne ye se otumi di wodwumadi ne nyina so no enya ade etumi ekonkan na won se ofa nipadua no so aye wo ankwammoa wo nipadua no mu ne ye ka no eye immune system no na eno na ebre ne edo nyina no eye eboa ma wa hoɔden ne wa pomuden so no etumi ekonkan ne edi kan esi yarewa hodo so anokwan so we immune system no ejina brane na ano odin a ayade a yare bi eba enya ade be kan wa ade ahwe honom enkonkoba na se ne hwaye oya ade kye hwaye oya se nkwammo na woni peduanom no ano dwodwo na eye mra eno ne ye kofa so ha no nyina no etumi edeba
yes immune system no ye weaker ene ma yade bi etimi bowuram na ponche left right okay
enti no won se adwuma mu kura wo bia ya wo mantemu ne bro na ote so ene ye bodian ne ye di edin foforo abata ho oh sister na de bia o siniti ye ne ya no sister na de bia no na ma no se ne mfe no mesro memma sa bodin no emma meka eye wudin anasa oni pedua ho enti sa we immune system no aye weak now per immune booster papa betumi a boost we immune system na eno ende ye give us herbal mixture no bi be sasa identity so okope give us herbal mixture na wonom na etumi boost ni immune system o fa ye dro na eye nim tree ewo mu bi na yenye nim se nim tree no ade a eboa ema ni pedua no intini no mu no emu etumi eda honom yesan ewo eye lemon ewo mu na lemon no so no ene beboa ema moje bia esi akwapo ewo intini no mu so no ebe nane ni nyina ma ebre na edo nyina no ni pedua no etumi awie peye enti se unya give us eba mixture na unonom ni indubina hodro a eno so sanka ho na eno na beboa ma ahoɔden no etumi awie peye na etumi eboost we immune system ma nkonkoba se ene utipaye aba wɔkyena na da ne da no o complain se obebi eye wo ya eno nti na ya na mpempi yeta ka senka give us eba mixture ne de fire wano no de unom na nopa ewia enwumre ene ebi wo fie na ebi wo adwum na mpo ehyen anase bag a de ko adwum no eya na wetumi enya dro no bi ewo mu se na betumi aboa na ofa give us eba mixture na nkasa na no meche se Ghana fankasa na ma no eya hotedin eya give us antontom da ho na ni dwumadie poten adi eya ntontom a na etu atese ewo man yi emu enti se ntontom so de ade ba ko etridi ena ya etumi ema ni pedua no eyemre na enim se obenya etridi nso de a eya ade ba ko pe na de ba eya ntontom enti ne se entontom ba wi won so de a na eya yare a ode bre no eya etridi mpamto eya malaria no na ntontom se onum mienu ye wone ba ene ye wone be ma na ne ba na ye fe no female anopheles mosquito no eno na se kawa oja ne ye fe no eye plasmodium parasite no e de gu widie no mu odi gu mu a obetumi etu ase enye se obeka wo na eso ho na no na se wenya yare na no se wentu ho anamo na wampa dupa na wampa omamu hahama ene ndubi na ne Ghana fo nyina agi atomu a eno ena yare no ebetumi ade aka wahye na mo no se wo hu se nduntum na ka na wo sha se hu nse na ho ya mbe bobo so yi obi wo ho be sha se ene ewa no obo no nkakra ayenini so eko ebedu ebi na afida no ayede na ne minimu ye ne ya na moja enemu eba ni nyina yensan se eye plasmodium parasite no entonto hu nsuo no bi no ewo widie no mu eni moja no edi afra enti ewo na eko anim no ese otumi epe anopuma sebre na oso ano entem obi nso ho aduane edi aduane an kondo pa no ebedu ebi na aduane ndo ne kon oti aduane mpampa na ne boso fro no aduane kura eben na ese ne hunimu ebon no ebi nso nkanfo ano obonsa no passe de obonsa ahoden wo ho ene ye wodi atwenche wo kɔ ne nyuma so na mo no onyu ya adwuna de suom na wo etiesi so sansen na ho nyina kyerɛ sɛ eye etridi emwani bi eye plasmodium parasite no ewo widie no mu enti sɛ otumi pa ano pomasebre ano pomasombre no so no sɛ obenya givers herbal mixture anasa odi okɔ herbal shops pharmaceutical shops and afi licensed chemical shops nyina kaso pe givers a entontom eda unya givers a entontom da ho a eno a na betumi aboa ma me no e ka say no sa oha na amane ni nyina no eto etumi atwa Ghana fo nti ne baaye na givers herbal center de ne abasam tu abamu ne anidaso asa no eno ne yesan de arechiche na afi de eye enko ene anidaso esan ede bemu ede ma Ghana de hye enti na bia ma kyerɛkyerɛ bibi mu ha na obi nti bibi ase ana bia brono mantem bibi obi bia hwɛ yɛn fi wakoto eduro no bi ɛna ɔpɛ ɔkwan betumi afa so anom ana sɛ ɔpɛ bibi obetumi enye eduro no bi ato a obetumi afrɛ ɛyɛ Givers Server Center ɛbɛm sɛ numbers no screen no so na emo no minsan bobo biom ɛyɛ 0543 22 24 70 0543 22 24 70 and after 0501 55 6828 na obapa me no wodi besi ene anope no na yenko eye yedro ba ko ene enemu yarewa ene infections eno nso no ababaji nipa no ede aboso anasa ababatu atese wo man emu na infections na ya na edoso obia wo bebi obetumi akwakonya ne de wo obi betumi nya ne de wo eye aduane mu obi betumi enya bi ewo sebi bia emfikyire baabi anase ejana bia baabi sanso na enemu yarewa no nso no ewumu ahodo bebi obia betumi anya baabi a obetumi akwakofa ne de aba eno ntini ya ye ba ye mpese bo ebidin na mu no ne yeje bi na mu no wa fa onipedua na wo ho na hwese na onipedua no umu eye wo na hu ne yi a na mpacho wetu hu anamo etumi de amaye na infections e dropa yetumi de aba eno nso de afia na baaye na ese ye foforo anase branya kora yetumi de aba eno na ye Givers GC mixture and afi Givers GC capsules
nese nsuo de wo
nsuo de na topa ye de nso e wo ho na mom no ye nom ba ko nja ba ko
yeso otomienu
na nom no nyina no atumi ade bomu enti unum nsuo de no wi a na afi topa ye de no so no na no so watumi ano
pharmacy herbal shop bia obenya Givers brato bia GC capsules ya ye ken
GC mixture
no ebi wo ho
no ma obetumi de tu eye infections and afi enam yarewa bi a tetew na me no ka say ababaye kwankoro na ye ohaw ede ama ni pedua no obetumi na enu akire na bi a ye mo ba ko mienu bi so ebi obema bi wo ho se bi ebi a na de bia na ensoansoa eta egu no ensoansoa eta egugugu ebi a wo private part ho no mo a mesra otu ho anamo wo ye oba nso na wo haw e wo mfichikomu se wunse buomu no se ye yawodie anase emmaye etwetwe sisi a mesra se otumi etu ase uyo obanso na nam ho so de a ese brani denya uye wese na nam ho wonse yenua no yo commentary no omo tie commentary omo bebi om ka say the weather is very conducive for association football ento uyo obanso de a so omo wa himfi yo very conducive for love making or affair making na bibia na tumi konka na sente sad dia na se so tumi pe Givers GC mixture and the capsules no na onye bi na no na ebe na de nyina no na wetumi akonkan e wo hono
ya da se pass on e
di no e herbal shops pharmaceutical shops and have licensed chemical shops wo kom more sahodro wo man mu nyina nso a obenya Givers Server Center ye no pani bi e wo hono na mes no so betumi afre na oni ye di nkomo
na chese odifo edo na busuahwe screen so numbers no ene gu ho no person ne give us mpanifo hwehwe nkomo bia no a na wafre wonom nti ye give us nkomo no ebesi ha na menkai won so se ne adofo bidum edi wonom awoda na womudi awoda se ya se de brand brebia ya ye no no ye boni pakro di ni mfonyi ho na de ato TV no so na ye nyina yaka ensempa afa enipa no na de odi nkan ya wo hwe ni TV esuwe ya nkasa ye papa osmosis what I say many of my here wa nyina ye kasa ye bo osmodin a na chese ye osmo ni picture and that TV no so na ye osmo no bebia wo bia no ye we show happy birthday free Adom's fashion re o kuma say abusuakuwa junction and obi hu no obetumi afre Adom 0550 074 450 0550 074 450 na event bia wo ye bia no ompam ho atare ema wo hia me a eya frɛ me anochewa ba adresewa o mayere betena sedam pensem mu atwa so ye moachi.
Well, here trying come on so Adam say da mu nyina wasesem go so hwe Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so anochewa ba grateful to you so timidin kama say timidin abraham Mamenka say do Sabriani Akai say Franco Trading Enterprise Father Roma Safari Tissue Rich Choco and a Zest Consult horsepower Ecopim 2.5 sound system nyina so unya bi e wonum Mamen Sanka say Bribia de Franco fu edi dwano nhye sonko da ho ma so betimi enya utiri adidima ebo ne da form so pa yi pa o frɛ Franco aye 0246 422 338 and 0555 939311 now ne Franco for made kita Franco trading app no so called Google Play Store and also with me edi ujuma ho na fe WhatsApp website so person ko na ko hu de ekoso yi pa www.francotrading.com now ni ona edi kita ho yaka Franco a ya giatum se eye phone papa efi any honum Zest Consultant so ekoso provided the best in terms of a futu na kwanche ewo adansim ewo ehyen hu dwumadi anafe IT services nti ebribia da no se ope asase ato ope bi nso aton anase o cars bi honuma ope busia bi ana ope so de car di dwuma soronko a Zest ebo eno eche one bo Ghana for ankran so mutimi pass won so wo SAT ne IELTS ne GRE sanso no one bo ma mutimi tro ma munya kama bibia ko kama edema se wo enkran kwa dia da bi Kumasi rather o hwehwe won kira kwan a Kumasi Cultural Center Bendichem so anase Kumasi Airport roundabout honum so obenya won Zest Consult number from 055 5631 1633 and as a 050 9092 330 no timni won edin kitawama bibiako one other roma Monday to Friday ye de empese mujumedi no ede ebro na men card of force kofito ntonsu ebekwa kojan this weekend bra okokai ne maame free mfie duni nti nkaye som kese pa na okoyama ne maame kofito nto ebekoso akase onyame nhira so okoso kai o maame na okoye nkaye som sronko ede amano wasantimantem this weekend Kumasi sounds na kwaku tadie so Kumasi Members Society I'm sure chairman Kofi Amankwa onu group ni nyina no yebekwa kotai kwaku tadie echi this weekend ewa hensan ebra okokata ne papa echi oni ni nuanam ne abusuafo nyina omokokata ne papa echi ama bibia ko nti kotai kwaku tadie echi this weekend so Kumasi hensan na bibia ko kama emfa mai payfo atenase imnyamfo aipe atenase ye ka aipe a no say wo MPP nhihye mu enche bia orphan constituencies no won be shase edi dwuma sonko wonum eni ho kwan se ye kasa pi eni mayonkofa ne adwuma pa imnyamfo aipe obeyeye ebre no asa so se osaiba monim na esi ahenefo no mo kari ni hwe na mo kari ni na magye di se saa eye kari no edi nkunimdi eni asempa ne beba munim ni nyuma waye na munim opepa nso a owode ma eye MPP amanyuku no timgiri se ebre no so na abato na shase o orphan constituencies na esi ni constituency abeka hona obeye de sefata na marshal enimonyam efise munim de. On that note, Mamima Akwaba, Nimian for IP, Honorable Akwaba.
Yeah, no, Emilia. Belated happy birthday.
Ah, thank you.
On social media.
Thank you. We
do our dapa, easy. Share things there.
Thank you. Thank you. Medasi P. Amen.
Watching the crying.
Oh, Medasi Pa. Thank you. Na constituency boko
nyame adom boko maminchi a watifo anope na minchi a ayinsu anofo nso
okay
enra mi ko di djuma sonko ayinsu anu ye wo 27 electoral area coordinators na one year si ahenfo no medical asia constituency executives no announce my intention to contest again. And any penny in our frame, I him for a tittle for what constituency in muni piping the ordinary Ayinsuano citizen on the street. So I pay, bra. No, what pet I'll be to my boy Ayinsuano. No, you ma was shassi near why ye near Obertriaso, near when we in a Brabatriaso, no, we my young. Until out of the 27, there were 3 major zones. A quota zone, a super zone, and a num upper pem zone.
Okay.
Now, quota zone is made up of 10 electoral area coordinators. In Tenramiko Shiawang and Udinkomo, a very positive. Inti woman in a jatomo say, no quarini, or say, Mesamba. Now, and then Yame Adoma, a way Mekwakushia, a numa papem.
Okay.
Electoral area coordinators, once more 6. Now, Adechia, Fida, and a pound Makwakushia, a subway. Electoral coordinator.
So in effect, people say na etwaba
669 to approximately 670, and in the paper to aba ewa yinsuano. Inti mi wie no ya na fi my itinerary amede polling station for no. Your 17 constituencies executives, 27 electoral coordinators, and the rest, and then 10 council of elders and patrons. Na fi in California police station for no. Next week, na start. Akọwonso na me no makwedi nkomo ma kire won say yebue nomination sisemre no so na fi eba say forms no available na say yebue a mekwa akofa bi na ma contest na ma sen abeto anwuma pa no so nyamepe won a no we member na me beto aso na mum no say o community ukurumfo efrew say besoma sorry I say ujetum na osom na osom ni na afei menua Chia Nanado Kufado, the president, meaning say a bit too much in discussions, and I say, I shall not be introduced to topics. Mammy Cassas will win here, pa. Yena social media and the internet, it is a young never so among our own aso. Sa international crisis, ya, aba financial and economic crisis, ya, aba countries in a guana IMF. Now say, I say, is it Kenya, but some crash on a moon to mean to ya, Edmefoka. Ghana so how we movie. But yende no I say so a dance on what they compare South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, and other countries now. I say I bang Nanado down Kwekufado, I bang a born home modern papa. It sounds a million near Kosunya and Ram who drew me. We shall danga Nanado down Kwekufado, I bang a Siama police for 320. 32 or 22. Out of Adan, I almost see about 500 and something, 14. I already and then another down Kwekufado, Echo hand over the Ghana Police Service. I feel IGP crown and half hour and that's when I say my one kind of penalty voice, a network biso. No, because oh, Nyon, a being see that a woman. What's if you know, police IGP was started from other ranks as a constable. And when no man will be a commissioner officer and never be IGP. Also, who be that Ghana Police Service? Say a bamba ko pa ba no to me see a dang bibribi. Na no cars a horo a yensu ano kura no. Na so yensa ka ba ko. Nti e adea wonwa no me ma ban ya ba so. Enura me ko constituency a me ba no. Na me do and so na driver na fi in some bankran road construction expansion of that road network no Accra in some of Fanko na me driver be say the bridges are say yes this is a culvert heavy storm drain akese pa and retaining walls are building very strong ones contractor here adwuma so kwa na nti akese the economy nyina ko say na do dan kwakufu ado eye adwuma nti say uko ayensu ano eye me constituency a ochina na do dan kwakufu ado esi eno member so na me ko press ado no e de buy eye ultramodern court complex abensi makomako 68 across the country they got me so but say where you my minister of local government fund them no if he get fund common fund na mame na atoshi na ajaye ko hu ni say yensu anu so say yenye district police command ba police funi nya case bia na obekọ court ache so konsam atam so obekọ no obeka to say kai ni ho ntie ntuma fani pa na court it time bia na ye mmara ayesen wo say we detain be for more than 48 hours no say police funi busu na alcohol wa bia eba manim na mekoso ma sa na keep suspect wa oso na botam asun yenim pa but nya kwan fa na court to say for only say excuse ni bi mu one omanya police vehicle me preso as an MP meje ba kuma on Toyota Land Cruiser Prado na nyame nyama ko bore na car ko nya akwanhia and say pe aban sam ba just last week DCO ho akọ any IGP yi o ho idampare akọkasa ma wasenga mo another one apart from the accident no and ya sang Friday we ye bue me na wi amede complex no ewo me phone so me yi di akiraw say complex pa court complex judge no residence bibia ewo ma nyame ya adoma ochina ye kwa akobue ano eye ade a feye pa nti mumma ewo musa ho kira ba ye jetom na ado danko akufu ado na kasa wo ye president no agya atom say ampa ho kira ba finance minister agya atom no kra do abepa chew say Ghana fon fanchen ni egusu ya ye toto niama ni nyina achi no development ekosohwe ayensu anu district court complex very beautiful. Oh, wow. Very very beautiful anyame ya adoma fidei ye buano ye besre MPP fo na yensu anu fo nyina say womra na wombehwe na ade a eye fani esi eye kama osansan so ofa ade a ofa no boom na ofa nso a ode kire na obi amehu ade a na ado danko akufu ado aban aye na mumu no ye kesi ye court complex wo basini kama police o mama district police command akadan a obesi amayen o mama police vehicles 2 within 2-3 years sisi aka yen lolo kwan a efi ado agiri kofa kota kopmo wurem ma penso me shaase akodu kuro ba kwefo krab kese nti na kwa yagu kota na bedu krab kese sisi afa krab kese tu owurem tru kota won to asomayen na ayinsu anofo yentumi enyina yen na
okay that's by
Nasiru
my very
mini Nasiru how
my very
na me think say NDC for me because what to say me what baby I pay no what Nasiru about to am I say ya be na we get them to me pointing
I already
close friends
me wo make approve na me ka say me sign so dey ona boy dey
I am be abetu na pointing ni we ya sama what say that o person onipa no person be pointing na what do ma che sa na we be wa dan fa fe pointing yenye I have a friendly point. Why?
Assalamu alaikum. We take catch you. But we need to treat my way for power.
Oh, no, you don't have to
yes, so serious.
I don't match it.
That is who is ordinary CD. We are done the music not to the deep.
Now about
to be very fair with you, we Sumisura. Sumisura.
Okay.
Yeah, we man. We
but we need the BB.
We are Sumisura. Me dan asenso.
I like the Bible.
Na benado.
Then this what you say.
Alhamdulillah, ya dan Yankopon ase. Onim say ye na bibia akosoto te sania. Ehihye no bibia seti no. Akayen say ye bedu 13th of next month. Na ye to me ayene safata na ye nyina no
no yi dufo na say kojo
it's be John Dramani Mahama. There is no two ways about that. I mean,
are you so sure about that?
And yes, let's just sure. Me mount clue. Utie MPP, the major two contenders, Alaj Chamantin, and His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
Is it Alan Chamantin, Kennedy Japan,
Dr.
the major Bawumia?
Correct.
These are the three
major lead contenders. Yeah. Fine. Fine. I mean, research actually say Kennedy Japan, and so I can't do. But the Americans say mitio mu nyina no a unti obi say or kase ope 90%. Mitie Bawumia nkrofo no so they are working for 60-70% in there. But on the man Mahama, then it see on Moboka so more 99.9%. Now that's my 1% in our car. Yeah, they a chairman, one more.
So you don't think there could be a surprise? That Dufo will lead the party?
Well, the surprise is that John Dramani Mahama will win with 70%. It's a surprise. That will be the surprise. This is factual.
I would just say business then at PCI or something.
There was a Otishu from 99 or more.
And
not the past 70.
Yeah.
And
that would be the surprise. There's no two ways about that. I mean, party for no more Ghana phone so.
So what is so special about John Mahama or Professor Saba?
Your friend say your BBA friend candor, sincerity. So when you're American, and a great deal of experience. You be here as a mind in this situation. You be to me account mind no according. And this is what John Dramani Mahama comes with.
Okay, space now.
Sincerity.
Okay, space
and
now.
Great deal of
acceptability on the part of the floating voter. I'll be decided on the fate of the two political parties who lead Ghana. So in between the two political parties, you're a floating voter. No? They're not doing CP that until the final day. No? What's our acceptability now? Is it around John Dramani Mahama, the former president?
Because the floating voter is based in the vote, not on political party affiliation, or based in the vote on facts. Any senior bear or minor be and America major was a fact, but the issue of conduct. Say, obedient and credit.
Within the credit.
Actually, Ghana for. Why not bet about 1% Nippon media and credit actually? Uye no free a great deal of experience. Said Embra na ojina ho ka che Ghana for say undi president da nsemo a wo ka no. Yes, nsem keke wo be president and who say yes. Ejuma no ye ejuma ketwa. Na wo ne na mo ka say incompetence dey enne. Ye nyina ye hu ya ekoso. Ye kobada ye bibia bibia ka say o kan ko si say o man no ma ye de. Ana mo. Why no be so ne man mo ye de. Obi abese o man mu hare no na wodi a woko ba ankran for no wo mo hare wo mo tumi expand your businesses ne ne ekeka ho na o man mu ayede ma obi anya bibia hye ne protocol and also ye the experience na ye especially in this current situation ye nya ye ho
you need an experienced
person. Inti why na beto about floating voter on consider these two critical issues are being acted from. So that is what John Mahama.
So there's a school of thought, as you should say, maybe he's done enough for the country. And also a term, say a man appointment now, and almost all our political figures, the presidents, they've complained about a 4-year mandate. So what really can he do within 4 years?
I will give you one typical example in the area of education. And that we know what eco school and taught. We kwa na wama we kwa na wama we kwa na waba nini ekeka. As a result of the unprecedented enrollment in our secondary education. Fine. So unprecedented enrollment. MVT precopa was free SHS and almost started from 1 for Anna kakran na de koye. Unyamere kra anko betimi dia ye bibia. Na adia John Dramani Mahama then as vice president only the president Mills it to me year 2009. Unprecedented record because now 2009 Form 3 for no more Form 3 no more free school. So in America, omo ebe to aso akọ Form 4. Said ya Kufuor former president Kufuor share no e ba ya. Na Form 1 so abeka ho. What is akwara bi etiaka? What is akwara bi eka fie say ya say ye ni dormitory. What is obi ko school ewia na obi akọ ewia anopa. Baby, so ade otimi ye within that 4 years na ye unprecedented ane womo omunya amere within 6 years up to now omuntu me solve the problem. I don't know betimi aye in the 4 years. Na what sign so aye pio. Na ma Ghana afan into my paifra. So that is what is more important, not the time. Okay. Because open efficient person, you consider input and output. Now what's your timer on also edibet deliver. And John Dramani Mahama has done so. Onunkwani president within the 4 years in government. Within 4 years. Unprecedented achievement a winner. Now what Bisa said within 4 years needs to cast same crown to me to be free. At the bar minimum. Now internally generated funds are own na saying compared to ne one more emoji sika more than 700 billion. To say men who yet hey okasa yem fa yensan to ade ba koso et fata 700 billion wa bibia ni wa ya de betro okasa ene internally generated fund yet hey onya asla ene abanwe enya yebeze Exim Bank because now edifo you have done into Exim Bank amount wo buy what sign so enya just say 3 wells amount oil fields amount to say more mfaswo unlike what others came to meet. And all of this 6 years 7 years down the line there is nothing to point to. What we are talking about today is Senebeya Yebenya IMF. Indeed 4 years 2 years 1 year doesn't mean anything. It is how to get an efficient person. So in America, into efficiency, efficiency so comes out of a great deal of experience. And one of us medical and culture will say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the board. Now, yes, the current trend of our politics.
I see. OYP, this is a very interesting conversation, especially when Timia pointed out who John Dramani Mahama is and what he intends to do. It's a Ghana former authority now.
Oh, say.
Momo party there, you are even contending. Who is going to come? Who is going to come?
Yes, as a government, be our party, be our Bema. Mera would you.
But the NDC
presidential candidate, you know.
Some of these things. But the NDC normally they don't face some of these challenges.
Oh yes, because of succession plan, say one different from ours. And NDC ideology, ne one running of the party, ne different from. We are more conservative as compared to the NDC, no.
But interesting submissions. They just more goodness, more.
Mami Chiro, say no because experience as president. So president one position pe. Nipa ba ko na feel. Udi wi a constitution is want to me be. Nti yem fa experience as president and fa to aba mo bi man be president. You have your experience in your previous dealings or positions, not experience as president. Because president today only 2 times I win the beam.
So the case of John
to me come back. If you can see you be what the president pen or experience then it means you don't know what you are talking about. It means you haven't read the constitution. So what can constitution your constitution is what the president in the 2 terms are won't mean the beam. It is okay see. Yamfa President Mahama in Tonchen on say opportunity to serve again. And no crown there are some question marks. People are raising constitutional issues.
No question.
I'm not for raising constitutional issues. But with the Yamfa on Tonchen, say no Tonchen, how on earth can you say and Sana will be the president and just where the people. Meanwhile, the constitution is who got 2 terms. I want to mean Kobi. If the Yamfa say your former President Mahama no that's Obia Eddie 2 terms pen. Former presidents will be need 2 terms a year. Now could you plus we can say, young to Obama be your experience and what the president bring out. What do you mean? It's not here nor there. Obama experience
before
as minister, as MP, as vice president, as director B to say Kwamnado for as tax expert, as finance minister. These are things we look at, not your position as president. Because president will be back where they will be. Woko 2 terms you are unko bim. And the constitution nso nke sese wodi wie na akwetena fia me Presbyterian na me presbyter. Are you presbyter once presbyter always presbyter. Say me kwetena ho one term a bitumi san be contest bim. It is a mere campaign na. And as if campaign is allowed in the church, na me person me san be presbyter bi ma. Betuma kesi monto abama obi a why a presbyter pen no experience because your constitution is say you say presbyter. Now serve 2 terms in year. Now continue feel 1 term. The next elections and after your 1 term, no, put me some contest him. Then of course, but this constitution doesn't allow that. It means so because want to about your experience and maintenance mean how the person reads the constitution.
The case is unique.
Yes. You see, so that kind of it doesn't come in at all. And I say even see the former President Mahamadi Eto, me actually experience as president. Na ye san de so de ato abama ne na ene na ka monyo president otumi me there soon and na because she have coordinators no because we na me ka kire we say obi a wo question contribution one of the coordinators sorry o see adeba ko a me be ye wa yensu anu ya o pese me san ba biem ne say ayensu anu the whole constituency me be ye MP na nkro wa light wo so almost 300,000 villages na nkro wa town light wo so 10. And every community in Ayensiano, the few communities of about 5 will be meant to me and for light anchors. Those young men in your scar, no about the next community made a light call, no matter sit down or into a dang nefiasi ebubu, some crading in our egu. It is a wind electricity. Because what you want cost fit a phone. Welders, hairdressers, tailor for a copper water for fair or the machine, the Pama use electric machine. Obi otumi me there sumu ma say you me nyina gui 4 consecutive years ma say you me nyina gui anu ni experience na
obi a o free aban mu na sa e how na e die so no wa solve
when you go for solve as you sit here dum so ya manage economy ni enya enough fuel and to farm a generator dum so will show it ugly head.
No, but no, that cannot be entirely correct.
That is it. Oh. You see, there's one thing having enough generational capacity, and there's one thing having enough fuel to generate your peak demand. The two are not the same. The two are not the same. Until you catch a better position, you catch this pussy. Look, Niamu face, and yet the generational capacity. No, you don't have enough money to power the capacity that we have to get your highest peak demand. And opa ma ene yenya fuel niama yesisi ani ehese dumso nsan ma na it is okay so solve dumso but some ka say the only person na obetu make say ma solve dumso say obenya permanently continuous supply of fuel so my plan be a ye benya fuel and they are power your generator for the next 20 years for the next 30 years that means say you have solved dumso now for generators with dubious agreements ebesisi wo ni enu fuel a ye di beguma we say ma so ma you do so efiwo please anya no na kire kra kire say yet we won say na finance energy minister owura matopoku prempe on the ECG omani abre nyina ne say amanfo de ka organizations de ka companies de ka government at the ECG ka it as a now we check is about 1.something million. It is ya training and you say sika ni na yentua ye be den na companies are woman gas and fuel near the power generators near saka companies no it ni ani abra ye gigi na be ya dum so nsan ma it obi akase wa solve dum so economy say okoti South Africa they have enough generators but the economy is such that they can't even power more the generators to get enough power or more in South Africa soon. It's ebusunya siekaso obi asovo dum so amom putting in a proper perception na menka na yentiase Ghana fo nyina antiase say yes experience near the atoaba obi dia and na enye former president Mahama at all because obi a otumi ekofa Ghana sika e de yen confirm so ampa ye pese ye increase production of poultry products. It confirm ya de be a Ghana for pepper and a science and actually and say you confirm fat content in our film. It is even better to consume as compared to nkoko. Na uko fa Ghana fusika. Edi a project na project ni say yan confirm na ye bi so na sika na wo de yan confirm no e wo he wo say confirm no o matu ko bakina ko fa Ghana for sika se pese ye plantation honorable John Abujinapo Samuel Abujinapo minister for lands and forestry wo dua nua no woni made a wo ye wo twen rain season wo say another one eba rain season eba be sha ni wo dua nua no iti wo angusunsu kura na anse na asu ni bete wo no na nua na gina na so mutumi fa Ghana for sika de ko dua nua ye bi se nua no wo he amusi mu dua no pebre nti dua na hyew iti mu nim say ye dua ye nua no pebre na udua no pebre a so making enough water system we be water nua no na ba bi a be dua nua ni ntie hu be hia say we be dua nua no nsutobre na nua na tuma gina so any experience no ni fansan to aban fama na bi ma opayine yeah Ghana for as well awaked me to abeka se me singa ba bi ma yensu anofo nyira ba adwo so hie no me constituency ni ma ayensu anofo to me the one sa kire 1 2 3 na no me ko akola bi akoko ta senior high school high science when you aggregate 13 otifie adan na onya admission wo Kenya University okoye physical physician assistant ewo university wanya obia amfana nko na manfo no esufra ye pesa bitumi de me common fund etua school fees ama ne san ma fe me de me sa hye me kotokum yi me personal money maybe add to senior high school satana free senior high school my headmaster no frame me catch him say you pay you are so wonderful me who be that checks e go me table so I make accountant I prepare ma me here the bank some are your personal checks. Apart from assembly, not check, I sign in my common fund. Some of them were my personal check. I order quack to money for school fees. And then me figure will be a science student 13. Our school teacher say, "You because I had about franity fee." You see, I know now I'm out to my records. They catch us all.
Enough.
Now, also been nothing. I'm now on neck or so. It's only about to measure for my president Mahama. Near Bessenisi. A day. And I didn't say me so. Inconsistencies baby we see free senior high school no ama some of the sectors no esofa nti ema aban sikasem ni to do ba we be review kwan be so na be fa be review sikasem no e be less are say we cost sharing afei we ko gina ba bia we so we free senior high school na we see ne boarding dodo ema sectors ni be esofa no we say we ba we the private schools ba be ka ho you see for one nine e ma no we no we the private schools Baba can already one I would say is overpopulated. School no dosun, nipa dosun, and Yama koso into Yabokano. What do we say? What's on the private school? Because me say the private school become where bear me debt. But near your patch and say you have to be consistent. Say I don't know we see Emma some of the sectors in el sofa into 1 year tomorrow. I feel we are so what your U10 is over with the free senior high school. I feel none of crowd was in Shabo. So Shabo because I was not share previously. No, I went to many so it will better no should be the account. Nemonia ya can say maybe seminar na suru also you are makasado and no no shabe kasebi. Okasa on chema de ba ko solution. Yes, economic crisis, international economic crisis, the whole world suffer. Now you share countries, African countries, are running to IMF, 32 countries out of 54, and are running to IMF. On Chile, one solution. Now I'm initial network, so as someone can say, what about which is Russia? Masa, which is Russia for 10 years, Sika Ubenyano, and we $1 billion out of the $3 billion fund. So the solution, Sika, here, they are solving problem. It's not about the cancellation of Russia. No so Russia and you no the Bagana economy but I'm telling him and you know the Bagay on chema de back pay won yet was IMF workers yanko so much the economy na yere mo so amonko IMF fine IMF na yako so up by BMA apart from so before man the yako IMF ayen dikan alcohol down on chenga de back pay one and I challenge him one thing I will say no economy aye dinya we are seeing na bia ka Ghana yen the eba ya be A, B, C, D. Ghana, F is all how I live with you. You should tell me.
Okay, very, very simple. I mean, say this argument, and me not ye nim MPP for anyone opinion for one more D idea.
Maybe ideas.
Beba, and me not ye nim one, and I want more kaka be service as our questions we. But let me go to the issues of our reason. We know what my hand. John Domani Mahama, and you all know the doom so by. Na breso and I do so by because previous government share was so due to several factors. We won't blame anybody. Omanpenny Rollins Abreso by okay before Rollins be face to Vision 2020 Rollins senior anka what's up for buy Meridiano the generation capacity ni be count science or minor expand. He couldn't do that. And he said ya kwama sa ade na be hiti and biom under John Dramani Mahama. You can't blame John Dramani Mahama say, oh no, they doom so bad. Just like we can blame Abangwe for the economic mess because no this kind of basa. Everything points to that. What do you know free wa? Besides say the only solution to regular supply of electricity, the fact is baby energy to turn our generation plants on. And the energy should be reliable. And I make sure that under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, at least we saw the establishment of Ghana Gas. We saw the conversion of generation capacities, into gas. For the last time, when was the last time I would say West African gas pipeline issues in Ghana say erratic? But when was the last time? John Dramani Mahama Betnasi, so that is what he has done to ensure regular supply of power, of energy, to ensure that we will continue to turn our generation capacity on. And it is so surprising, say, who give me taxes at the yard, these taxes. Yeah, because I will say, me, Momo, opposition, men can't tell what they are, me, me, who then why I was no problem. Last week, when and answer last month, when you say, doom so schedule timetable our money back and also John Dramani Mahama what is the problem? It is a doom so under John Dramani Mahama incompetence that doom so under you and which is 700 billion obianye bi da wokromha which president Kwame Nkrumah Rawlings Kufuor na ye man ye friends he pick no onya sasika we bi and look at what he was able to do. What you say, when you know, yeah, Kasa will catch the me opposition, me men country, me my ideas, how I will run the country. When I was talking about ideas, how to run the country, one country said me incompetent. Have you come back to apologize for calling me incompetent? And you still expect me to do what you do, your job, that is not the case. Let me tell you, say, or Kasa, I confirm my and no make us experience because emra na more catcher and say confirm my problem. You need say COVID, life and death situation. COVID sika beba mu beti nyapu. Na you regional chairman, regional executive, party executive. Obi a catcher and sika dodo out of the COVID funds. When your life and death situation. And yes, obi ekwe bibi di abo obi. Eno kwa mwedi, mwati chesi kanedi. Na muti ha kadro obi say, ono mum enka bibi nchire. But let me tell you, so ubi sa idea. We are talking economy, and I'm very happy because Martin said His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia has started that issue, the policy, and I say, and I also the abase yamfam brahwe. Idea back one, on mine, ni sikasem. Fiscal discipline. I don't know why. That is the major thing because you say yet me share so. Send your mekano, no kre. Kase sika yenyano, ye the way koha, ye the beko, ye the way beye say ya, ye the beye yen teacher my party for. Obe say economy no be jina na so. Intime kamichire one thing we can credit His Excellency John Dramani Mahama with. The gift miss Ghana Integrated Financial Management System. The financial system and share. Will be also say check and I say ye spending and sikanoa. We should spend it through the gift mix. Send a beya yen kotiche sikano and koye bibia ebibe and do be bottom. And more masadia keke. Say mube disu are spending through the gift mix. What made this so? Are you not spending outside gift mix? How many times does John Dramani Mahama I raise the issue of say more spending outside of gift mix? In the end to me my accounting purposes, end to me. How many times has he said so? Say what this so keke. Gift mix is backed by legal legal backing. I was a band this so. John Dramani Mahama Abresu as the head of economic management team and I get mix. More I must say more the economic guru then and the work I'm asking you honorable IAP. Kadia Bakwa, Monsumua, Mon flag bearer contenders in way ni mono. Who said me say we want to be in Kabako because mo party no one you now car assembly wants to be contest. And again, what here? Oh, Katia, I ain't one of force, woman sent to Abama after coming and leaving. But oh, Katia Ghana forces, so more the Omoto Abama, John Dramani Mahama after coming and leaving, yeah, and the Omwabaka and
the basis is different.
Yes.
Ochiremuna Mekra said the position of John is unique because Onono based on say President Dino. 2 terms Wabako, 2 terms Wabako, 2 terms Wabako. So the issue
until
about
the people decide not to vote for you
doesn't come in because after 2 terms, you are not coming back to be voted for again. But MP, and then the presbyter, a year.
In fact, that is his analogy.
But no, that's how it is.
That is how it is in the Constitution. You can't force me.
No, nobody forces you. We are forcing you to stick to the Constitution of Ghana. What 1992 Constitution? You can't do your own thing.
And yet, in Shah, they told so. That's why I said that in the case of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, need DNA a unique because he has a term to complete his 2 terms.
And then no crowd make what I'm putting together in general. I'm making a general statement to the effect to say, so no as former MP. So Opesoko come back because he has something to offer. Well, I don't see why John Dramani Mahama, who equally has an opportunity to serve on all the Manema. That is my point. I don't see why he has problem with John Dramani Mahama.
Ghanaians ought to decide.
Maybe what you are saying, what you are saying,
he wants to suggest the impression you were creating was that his comeback was very unnecessary.
Yes. And yes, I impression me just say. What can I say? In my case, electricity I will make questions for example. Now, make sure also the abysmal performance. Nyama waya, and it answer
typical example. One kasa waka the solution for regular supply of electricity. I say we benya regular supply of energy. Obe power system. Man catch Ghana gas. It was done under John Dramani Mahama.
As a senior journalist, that's all Ghana guys say. Mahama na deba na one country. Na me go ira me. I wouldn't say President go for the Ghana gas specials. The only thing they did is to change the location. And you are where you were here. For time now you're senior journalist. Time now you're senior. You are not. You are senior journalist. You know.
Procuracy interchange.
Go for the deba. Go for the shots.
It will be a maybe. Now we crowd the Mbamba is a plan. As a beam,
yeah, on 40 interchange.
Or chef for Pukrasi or chef for Pukrasi, President Kufo, chef for Pukrasi.
When a dash would I said, I was saying Pukrasi interchange. President Kufo, on dash would I, then didn't come from me. When a dash would I say, young fuel, young good oil, young gas.
President so clearly speaking, from all angles, Utiom, but Betty MPP for what's so we more chance. Na yen ye de no gege Ghana for TV as na ye be wie no the system
papa we since ya mo de be match na no ye din papa me pa na bitumi no to o kan obi gege so na see the winning na ba we table be na rouse me share tape but me say me what was that tape no
well I know from
I know what kind of fools I don't
tape be MPP before the but I don't even know which because we were tapes to be brave.
Yes. But Brian Champ says with tape.
And I bet tape
tape I will say any day we be coming pa you be say well madam for me to me
so me mesre mona moka ana MB before they come once and be emre bia say ban propaganda NDC for na ya cut and paste in here keka ho obi biara obi de tape be ma na wa hwe ade a wo ma choro tape no ya pese video no so na utie kasa na wo de compare na the same one then you have a cause to worry besides that me say of course we embezzle because me say we embezzle because near brand atampon kai no and all the enye problem e ma no, my party, the party even supported his position. Indeed, that is the issue. No, so it's up to you, and no, be problem. Besides that, your law enforcement agency will come here. What more, they will take action. Right. And then life will go on.
What about Yambra issue? NDC rise to Council of State to reconsider MPP EC board members. And I don't need to go through this. I think that this is a matter about Apaneko, on the appointment of a specific personality, Dr. Peter Apiahene, to the board of the Electoral Commission.
Well, Electoral Commission composition, Constitution, no matter president na appointed. Na president nominations na Council of State by him. Na Council of State, when the nation anya approval, what him no omegina so the to president for. So who nomination in the assembly and who nomination say the I was a san hakakra ye. If we are na president, ahwe na wonga koye wonga djuma so we in. But nipa bi nso de adwenkyere bi aba sanke betumi a the president nominate we a enko parliament. So ni judges na de no ekon. But we a board membership. But me personally will be samia like I say to end this forth and back. Sanke end this and judges na de na ke beboa. We are no the parliament. Hodie is a bipartisan body. No, but for now, that is what the Constitution says. Now, Council of State if you move here, now president, appointment in the banner or so went in. Now, see, Council of State in some coffee bima. That's the Constitution allows that. Let them know what they are called. It was space for Constitution. Say, Council of State would to me say, a dear president, dear ban wanga him. Now, on a pencil. What the question I now approve, I want to do to president for. Now, president, I nominating the panel, no one saw in. No one can shave Jumason. So, Constitution, with space in the letter, because and yes, I would show a letter call ya. Now, Council of State, after president, hey, for uncle for the son for one brabim the the Council of State must base their request to the president to resubmit the names on in the Constitution. Because I did much more to meaning as them. That was one son family being a bad thing. If
they were not seized with the facts well, I bet told you say when you actively an activist.
And I say, ni American say, ni working what she won. Say one here na akọ awie no. So constitution no space wo in the constitution.
What will be so?
And this is legal team. Or some legal team national
before the legal team. What will be so wrong if now we have come to the realization that your inclusion on the Electoral Commission's board.
Meaning, when you mean a democracy and you prepare constitution, send a big idea and you should be a sort of why be a say, Obia to me be shame still here, or man here come out say,
but they make
you see, in democracy, it must have space in the constitution.
But that's what I'm saying, say, but do we have a space for an independent body, say, politically exposed, highly exposed personalities be part of the board? You have that space.
We don't. Anything I can see. Council of State, refer on a a hona bia anka NDC bet me the petition. Akoma Council of State say, hey, request yaba money. Instead of them doing that, social media, the print media, woman to me and petition the Council of State at the time president making referrals. I've been a chairman of committee in Parliament. At times referral is made to us. Request from institutions.
Very important to say take to NDC what NDC.
We are referring to the Constitution. You cannot do your own thing. You cannot set your own standards of democracy and practice.
The basis here, our person in our tears here, common cause is that we have a constitution and a guiding principle.
Correct.
Inti ye nyina ye nti be outside that constitution.
Correct.
Inti ye be din common within
the constitution. You
be din common within the constitution.
That is which part of the constitution?
You man a chance no
and the chance that you can't report the case.
You man a chance no.
Okay. Nia me person me chire nyane say there's a constitutional requirement.
Yeah.
E chire Council of State near was away. It's at the time, President, in the referral and command council said, but some made assembly, electoral commission board. No son. Per na NDC, mode petition, aqua say, assembly, because of ABCD. No one ashim.
But who jail one?
What Chanyama, yes, so any panic in no quarter office. Ah, we were legal team. I was a legal team advice. What time I want to start here? You may be a fian sana. We see only pana wabe commissioner, a member of the commission. Or no, a fian sana was answering now Council of State. Now, let me say, Sir Council of State bet me any clause in the Constitution. Now, so they are requesting President say on some list because Council of State cannot write anything in vain. Or why no watch that come president say, oh yeah, approve names be mount. Asemesi, San for one bra. So they must quote the constitution that mandates them to do so.
Are you inferring, sir? An astute, renowned lawyer,
yes,
internationally.
Yes.
We are privileged to have him as the president.
Yes.
Is not aware of the dictates of the constitution.
That is
a highly exposed political
party. That is your
person.
Definition and your description for the person president in Akon. But Mensu Ujahana Bisamia. Your view say yes. Why then I just say why highly exposed? It's the difference between exposed and highly exposed. The way you are exaggerating it.
Highly exposed.
No, it is not.
Continuously he has served the interest of the MPP party.
Yes. He found a case say who MPP mukwana who jai MPP and now when this no jai. You can't serve
highly exposed contractors in the
Obi can so be a highly exposed contractors. We are contractor near my contract. I was the chairman of schools. Yes, what project contract? Yeah, sign what is that? You're not saying about selective end of point. Mommy end of point. Mommy end of point. Mommy end of point. We see where you are handing me. No, listeners will not.
Just do it for it.
It's in the ambassador Chene say, LCA, who to mean Chirwan Koma president, as you said, I still the lawyer say, some for names in the bra. I will say to me quote to an act or a clause in the constitution a mandate say obi to me listen all the same ye niha and former president Mahama e ko appointee only dey just a board member the chairman or the chairperson of the electoral commission ebi say any girlfriend ebi say we dey bottom power ebi say oya kuma ka honsem ni akwa dey for say bi on the permanent na da sorry nti yan kwa the name say 2016 is a foregone conclusion for us. What happened? It doesn't matter whether your relationship in the person. Yet, President Mahama lost the 2016 elections. Odin Kugu, near Odin choice, but yeah, the chairperson of the commission, Odin Kugu. It's a Sana Mana Mumia, only Panu bet me, I hear you, irrespective of his political interest. Yeah, I say, ABS, from our President Mahama, chairperson of the electoral commission. He lost the and that same person announced the results.
When you wake up to see and hear and read that Ovusuampofo is now the new electoral commission.
Oh, you're kind of chairman of a political party. It's not because I'm not exaggerating. No, it's not about Kelsey. But highly exposed. Exaggeration is too much.
No,
highly exposed.
No,
Ovusuampofo, Stephen Tim, they are highly exposed. I agree.
You can't say who trust her. You're careful. What's the meaning of a sector? And then where they told her. Then you said that.
When chairman McMahon is highly exposed.
Don't run away from what I'm saying.
But yes, because that's
it's not true. Politicians more smart.
Because as you are here. It's your friend. You vote for a political party. You have such for a political party.
All right, I don't.
But I'm moderating this program perfectly.
Honorable EP, I don't have.
Why are you become sensitive?
Say I become sensitive. Don't go that far.
We need soft spot for a political party. But look at the way you are moderating your program.
Let us finish.
I listen to you.
No, I'm saying with the train.
I'm your follower.
No, I'm saying train. No problem. The IGP votes, the electoral commissioner votes. There's absolutely no problem. I vote.
Yes.
I have a party that.
But what would they have with them? And this is Suchachi. I would say what them. So I think now say will be. Politically exposed. I want me to
Oh, or what?
I think don't have a party. Give it support. Don't you vote? And this is about which one. But look at the way you are moderating. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I don't know why it's become so sensitive. It's highly unusual with you. Highly unusual. Why are you so sensitive on this matter? Because competent people cannot serve. No. So opportunity.
I'm surprised about you think that competent people are only people who are in politics.
No.
So there's nobody who is behind the scenes. No, I'm saying.
Yeah, can. Obia, when I would say highly exposed.
But he's exposed. If you speak,
almost everybody is exposed.
No.
Almost everybody is exposed.
Honorable, are you saying you cannot look through the MPP, people who work behind the scenes for MPP, to be part of the electoral commission?
Maybe the definition of your exposed may be different from my definition.
So you sit here to speak every blessed day on behalf of the New Patriotic Party.
Maybe they are highly exposed.
But you're a Cadbury member.
This is not the first time I have such appointment. Because the fear in this whole issue of appointment at the Electoral Commission, from the utterances of MPP form penny for. And in your mocha, and in your Yehubida. MPP is on record for the first time in the history of the Fourth Republic. Say, Yekotuaba, na Yabura, your first coalition center, na Yabutu, na Mangu, na yet to me Adane results. I mean, it happened in this country. In the case of
platform
Yabutu, many pay me Adane results. Of course. Of course, the evidence to show that.
But they continue to have that suspicion. It's suspicious.
But he's not saying that's a suspicion.
He's suspicious.
He emphatically saying it.
I think I must be given opportunity to speak. And I don't want Mark Pankura.
Giving opportunity to speak. Many people have done results. When you go to Agrikuma Center, one young man, a friend of Abbas, Ben Kai.
Don't go there. Don't go there. It's clear for everybody to.
Correct. Say you go to me at results. They say going forward. Many people we are but you have too many people we are dying results. I also mama kasa.
Man, another one boy crowd.
That's all mama kasa. We moderate na no. Why me
because of your text messages about on this matter of electoral commission any era appear any doctor yes Dr. appear Peter appear everybody back in Kenya baba make out say Franco Trading Enterprise father a safari tissue and have a rechoco and a zest consult as well as a Monday to Friday for and komowi emfa embro na masa ka say ye be kwakota yin bema kofi ton to achi ebra o memorial service amane maame a nyame yadma kwasiada na eyemfie dua ne maame free atase for asase so erade nkoso fa ma ensi yi emaye na fe kwaku tade so members only Tinka Junction Kumasi asem na make ti baby unu team ni nyina na me adma memenda we ewa ahensan Kumasi ebekwa akota kwakuta de achi na akokata ne papa achi oni nuanom ene ebusia fa akokata ne papa achi ti kwakuta de shedin so Franco Trading so make out say open iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, Smart TV BI free 32 copy 65 inches. Air conditions from 1.5 horsepower copy 2.5. A free phone acquire BI obenya bi of Franco Trading Enterprise. Mr. Offer numbers were 0246 422338 and that's 055 5939311. Now the Franco Trading for ultimate guitar. Or call website wa www.francotrading.com. Now one the guitar one be akwa about Zest Consults, apart from so one able when him DM what my travel so here Juma from Quine, on say for 2 4 quantre for say oh when it Jim say nobody real estate won't come out at 2 and I'm see the amount automobile and now IT solution services so my boy Quanson Kusukra and which is super say auto was and auto assassin usi dine and I say almost sit down at the mount and I say car open biato and open busian so Quanson Kusua. In fact, open biakra bit my office accommodation and in one more Quanson Kusua Zest Consult. Kumasi one cultural center and the champs was on the bank Kumasi Airport runabout. Free 055-563163 and 050-909-2330. No, it's even on the digital. I mean, because in the for I pay, I want to say, Sansuna, Mianka Semonipa, Alaji, and so I want to say, Alaji Nasiru, and so I want to say, Alaji. Una bet to us my because ebe kona about church and in fact, or say mususu exaggerate highly exposed no honor the one name again idea matna say I high ama president any council of state for wedding komo awie na ya tuni ya so ni pay no kwashe na djuma ase afi na mode Mokrata Koma a council of states. It will be quite difficult. And what you know, or see, I'm careful. You do baby no, and you'll be a man in age maybe because you'll be a twaba or quite be so. Until you're careful how we go about our things. Dear important and NDC for more count this matter.
Yo, I'm say very simple and so direct. Yenina yenim kebi memin kebi any senior. Yade erane kebi memin kebi amambu. Yade mra ene ye bibia. Na ohwe mra no a ema ehun kwan se I was say yenya electoral commission no a. Sa mra no ema ehye se electoral commission no enye independent body. Ebe ye body a amanyo ku bia entumi nka se aye nedia. Ana so se obi ebetimi ahya wom say womu antumi ye bibi esa nsa nti was say ye nyina no so ye te ase say at least if we follow historical antecedents ebe pemne before appointments we start you know obi biara obedi ade a obenya akwenya say obeyi nkofo ama womu akwa ejuma wo electoral commission as commissioners no or ye no with circumspection Senior Beya will not obliterate our democratic institutions. Oshe President Rawlings Abreso sa yede ebenya I'm say started with a crab and bisa na yede benya Afarijan or the be Jumano. I mean generally even the MPP then are want to boycott the entire election on the excuses or movie say ye we money in the account. Omo ntibe nya bibi anka wa Afarijan. Ya basa from Afarijan ebenya Charlotte say womo we see that is where the double standard starts. Because Charlotte say when to me am point say Charlotte say NDC ni branch ni the card ni
because we call fake posters
in your money na buy just to show say Ghana for beji edi say NDC ni nti say that time no mo ye we nyina no just to make sure say Ghana for beji edi say NDC ni say sound so dia na enye say wo the NDC ni ebeba when you are in power na ne abedu so na enye say obi na e kan papa yi na asem elda TV so elda radio so elda internet so bibi biara we si ne bu aka say wono eye MPP ni a Dr. Pierre him. Wanti sa nipa we wo appoint no a den bio and aka untumi enye in making sure say democratic institutions no obe obliterate ni nyina. And this is not the first one. O sha ye wo Auditor General office. Ye nyina ye hu se ne domlevo and sa office no ewie na den na e ka fa ho especially when wasi ho obo ho sabrane say we democrat we mranim ni ate say we so
freedom fighter
so we be ka no we no free wa ye nyina ye nim na say in the at the Bank of Ghana ye nyina ye nim say mra ebo bata ye verse the position e bon ho ban e ba ne sen e na papa no so esesa de nyoma koye wa bra na embre ensign mutimi sesa dipa. All these things, you know, raise question marks on your activity. Now, why you say be do be yet to aba? Now you expect to say, obi biara hono. Ye juma a bit to me, one sheni a bit to me the basa yo about mining. As I say, so ye juma na all doing party. I was say juma no more. Obe hu na o the problem ke say about mining. Now wait to me etu sa na mo no. Edi nipa or you're highly politically exposed. Didn't you make us a highly exposure? No, etumu say. O my henny, who Majidi said, what ya manu say, Casama manu no nina, no, ye teach you. Ubia betna hada. Ubet me ye ba, uba boni paba kudia, ubet him say, buy juma we and a oye. On to me, because just by exposing yourself, say, uba Casama party, no. Why are politically exposed? Say Jumano and sa etu ahini we enye me na make records no wo ho mo tapes ni bebre a wakeka nsem a kire say ono de say ba ne say MPP ni Ghana obi MPP first ne ne ekeka ho na wo decide pa we akoto bebi a ye beto aba wo no ene behwe so wo expect say obetimi ayede aye fair in an election more so when even Charlotte say on your politically exposed. It's time say nipa wode no ebe compete no aye John Dramani Mahama
highly personally exposed
meba na breso that appointment no aye vacant no and there
highly personally exposed to that competing with him
o say on your further consultation on be any consultation which is against the constitution now no come one MCC. It was against the constitution because constitution can say on obi ankodi nkita ho what's on the council of state and all this had o2 sana mo no say dey just because it's an election year approaching election year and on also a party to the election no yamfa constitution into nchen na on your broader consultation to ensure say bibia ankotochima ne ne ekeka ho ene se wo so why e bia na den na wo ka kire Ghana fo na senia na meka no enye nia wo mo aye ne keke efri nia wo mo nso ekeka uti o mampanyi na o ka se medie memfa to me emma bia te se MPP ni ana se MPP aban e na medi to me no be ma o bia uti Brian Achampon na asem a wo kan utie Lord Comey
mampanyi si ni gidie ni say ono de obe hand it over to an MP.
Correct. Yes. That is why he said.
So he's working towards that by making
there's absolutely nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Correct. Wakasa na yebe the director of operations so akabibi SSR na nu ye anso Brian Achampon kasa. Correct. Na wo hwa na montuo na omutu no a it will tell every rational being anamontuo no combined. Eye kasa ne keke. Kasa no is backed by certain anamontuo. To say one kasa onu say nkofo yi ye nhyehyeye bia emwa ma ye democracy no enjira ne no mo adwene. Enti eye ya adwene. It is very every rational human being. Abedwene ho sa. We ye say ye ya adwene. Say ye wo adwene a bebi a ye kwoto aba no presiding officer no ye befa say NDC chairman or constituency what the presiding officer they just say won't you have a complaint, won't you say anything about it? Well, definitely you raise the issue about it indeed and that is the fact can you say Council of State one more advice and also more advice on the it is not in a vacuum so almost be movie na ye wo say ye advice wo no ye behwe ehunu say saidi no awode aba no esefata nti ye de akoto wo monimu a ya asemu ye very simple say oh Council of State we are appealing to your conscience say adia o mampani ayi ade eye ana so say enye ade eye because the worst so far ye nya eye omabenyi na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
That's according to you.
Yes, me make us say will be
but that's not factual.
What doesn't make it factual?
The worst in terms of what?
That are in our democratic processes are on share ma yendi embraso. Yenti America na sa ne say na abreso e na nipa be 9 ewu ye answer yetimi declare election. Na abreso e na nipa correct.
Janonka.
Me na no say nya no kwara no.
Janonka.
Nipa 9 we as ne declare
results. Janonka. Abatuo pension. Ono no chire nipa a won hwere won nkwa.
Aye demonstration nya abatu ya to abet declare results awie no. And nipa bi ya demonstration na nipa bi wi.
Abatu obre
ya to abet ya declare results. Who say won ti ase. And we go demonstration na nipa bi ato. Nipa na depending not together. Na yeah just say ene omo. Ene the one try you gra. And na mo one kan akosi su biom say na abreso. Na ye kwoto aba. Na ye tumi nya aban. Awomo omo hye soldier for Ekura state.
That is what I was trying to say.
Ekura state yebenze etu edibubo ni pa me no wo kasa ibinua you shall yaro under them
aka de wo yin no
ayawa so west wogo ba mu kura ma to say ebeye enhye ewo aban no say yenye nhwehwemu because ade no say na esiko na enye yenye nhwehwemu ekosi ye ehu say aban anye ni yi compensation wo a yemfa man nkrofo na ye prepare wo mo
understand the compensation
up to today bibi amai so we America no nti sa nipa no se me hihye ne yo no e kire se on my nia ebesi bia because say ade no e fa no way na ekọ and whatever the consequences will be or starting a to say no one way e was say you appeal to the conscience of the council of state ye gidi say wo mo ye mpanyimfo council of state for no and you omo nyina e na politically ye person Khaled womu ewo mu interest ahimfu womu ye benze asofo womu ni ne ekeka ho a womu nso betimi atenase se bibi wo ho a mo atwe omampanyin na adwen ama na ehu ne se ye koye ni mu no ye benya obi a osin omampanyin na nado ono de crazy kura na ono nso aye ye koka o se ye president na eno no wan e na de democracy fe a ye nyina ye bo ho ban no wan e de ne codage
me das Basiru Alaji, but mo ye mo narration na mo painti picture no say enipa nkono erade mfo mo nyina crazy na ebusia for so ama mo ya connection den kese pa there's a political education we need to give to ourselves. Every biara na opposition for no takes advantage of some of these things, but as a matter of fact it doesn't help both the opposition and the government in power. They are worrying. I will support on any day. Any ahokeka yede be nhwemu ehu de nti asa ewu ni bae nipa ye betwe na so na ya prese sa abato ho nkwanhia ne nyoma ensem fatase no ebinsi especially do incident ba konso ablekuma known you see known activists who claim to be part of the security service of this country but known people, very known, misbehaving. We cannot continue to entertain that. That is genuine.
I know I can't abolition. So you try any part to say, before you try to say, now you don't to do you actually try to say, now the states. Accoutrement in a quiet side. We are talking about this one states accoutrement. The American say, near investigation. And no, we should action Westward. We are acting on it. We are acting on it. Just a quick more program yi abaso first year ba ha utumi to fuel bukam no one drive from Taifa Nasuru meaning baby a wote no wa bedua no mama in 30 minutes and 1.5 hours ina yegusuko mo ya de ya kan fe dem se watie yen so frɛ na ubata what to fuel now enya 1.5 hours say Yeah, about 1.5 hours. Nadia Obaka, they say, wo buy no, airtime is very expensive, especially airtime for Adom TV.
Yeah, very
you know
expensive.
how hot your system is into your airtime is very expensive. And when I'm 1.5 hours, so I was expecting you to say, oh, now can I? Because 1.5 hours, they complete. Why do you bear 45 minutes? What me have to have 30 minutes. At times 45 minutes. When I had there, not watching it to car now. Or closing way. And then me go see and then mama say 1.5 hours and I got 10 minutes.
I got 8 minutes. 6 minutes.
You better bomb my basso. My yard. I feel men can say adverts no crown or the star moment you flow. First work as a cry. Now trying the young advert. My this year where you break back pay 1.5 hours. My member is say okay. You born say mama. Miss yes. Catch you union as you better have your education. Inti asem bia obeka no who say no kware se na be ya umisinform Ghana fo. Nipa wo wi e wo tachiman. Any other areas in 2020 elections. You declare results in wie no. Baby, it's not true. Abbas, Ablekuma Central, and you declare results. Then the baby say 1 2 and what 2 good 1 10 so. And woman security agencies need because clashing then depend be sure one. Obia na utumi tra kesi ye kum nipa ansa na ye tumi declare result
na kasi ku nipa say declare
no kan
ye ku nipa say declare result
kan me am get to stop now we say one thing he said it on your show this right now
and the power
since you make to stop now platform no so one kasi one can he said it because we are no di yesre and the information okay say you kum nipa 8 we fine that the report yenya am a certain commission mo hwe mo ya but so okay say you kum nipa answer to declare results in fact yeah enya sa dey see it and am me twena adwene si so say me sre no ya kasa ya kasa network international organizations ni ade nyina ati woni say enya sa dey see it what kind of say na we exaggerate issues na okra penis na we aye okama correct asem we exaggerate issues okama ya show man sem na Abbas enipa free mu but anya free man san as san kan nipa na enwi anka yentuma declare results but nipa no ye result declare one tias but e worry say nipa free yes sadly me mom nsem me nye me say nipa na anti wo ho ase na what two boom anten so na nipa
okay over 0302211701 equity 4 just about 2-3 callers now if you wrap up whilst Alhaji Beka say 0302211701 equity 4 0302211701 because Beka you just about 2-3 minutes now if you was it then wrap up Alhaji Pajomiti
since 1992 you need record bia obeko coalition center and a polling station na one who say obidi to aba obi me making reference to yenua Abbas Akulekuma Central ono no de NC wo coalition center ye bone to ho ye womo a womo bone to no so ye nim wo omo ye MPP fo to be na de bone no ye oman state no to any state amo na e wo mu na de bone no a owu ye men kai busuafo ya yes we ye answer ye declare election enti say me can na me wo gina so bia na me gina so besides that in the history of this country o my mene when say no matter what me cry me political actor see do nketia the chairman of our party and then on to me embonwura parliament you can say plenary ho it's say emra no emma no kwan yes apart from we minister and also we member of
Douglas
and I say Douglas beba no but for the first time in the history of Mampenyi Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo was yenya a soldier for mu bowure mu mu kura tuo yes mu bowure mu kura tuo today
Douglas
to keep peace.
Hello.
Yes Douglas what you say
But so nyame sure
oh nyame adom boko
me pato me da masini mutu metia mutima ya anoko ka
Nyankopɔn ntɔntiri supervision so no man yɛ na mpacho bebree na ɔmo wura hwɛ mahama ɔba bɛti president pɛnti kae mu yɛ kae mu dum so ayɛ forum ne bra yɛ brɛ numa ekuye ne nyinaa yɛ kae nti ɔmo kasa me srɛ ɔmo ayɛ a ɔmo nya abotire na ɔmo yɛ kae papa paa ne ɔmo ne kɔtɔ kaa ne branding na ne board nkyɛn kaa bad branding nti ewura hwɛ no nti a ɔmo kan no nka ho ne nyinaa yɛ kae.
All right.
Yeah, Candia, and the infant almost so be a mammy, you mean that, and I'm like, and just I'm a hammer, dear, Tuna.
All right, Medasi P. Hey, now Kumasi Mayor, personal assistant, the where they now coin your Becassa, I will make my videos. Go, Mayor singing now, P. Osa, me crew, me, match here.
You would have some part so I go or chow. You man, I'm a mayor.
Look, man.
Oh, my, in the confidence.
Oh, wow. Me watch you.
Me watch you, Michelle. Say, man, no birthday. Minister, come
man, we die with you. Never go see any one time.
What, ma? Oh, my, the TNE. Michelle, be your food in a. Not the TNE. Yen United Ghana, Obekaya. Ye koko to ba ye wura bamba be we ne speaker no ana okoko ye okoko yi NDC General Mosquito okoko ma parliamentary service board MPP can die ben esan se wono na ye tumi ni kwa nti no ba bi tumi wo chilie ni ho na wo man panya appointing obi so mo nko isia nti joba de pompo na chese 2024 election no MPP be win se munya adwuma wo fom de e ka chen DC bono no omunya adwuma wo fom no ne fom fo no nkasa na ne beti wo mo mawe ne ogofo no ya ponto wo no bibi aso ntere se wo mu ba yo mba ba ya adwuma e dia favor MPP fo baby adwuma no fom it
Okay, so Mamenda Luke Manase, let's all have a blessed day. Incredible 4 day near China, big one. Monday, a holiday. Inti Alaji Collins Dada, Alaji Nasiru. Oh, me Muslims from Baba Jamal, watch this space. That's how I call him. And all the Muslims, you know. Namaya Duma, anytime. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The message Muslimi Mrantin or Mujumu to the Zomo Tombo.
I see a wish you. Minim say be over by the wish.
Oh, there be upon.
Oh, I wish me happy kind of then can jam no Eid Mubarak. And I see I use son of Muslims, you know. Maybe be mu bronya. Eh nyam.
Alaji Koswe.
Oh, na be there am say Ghana fo nyina am say fire a boy and yesterday and football say obeji empire bo na Oma asumbiaba on my Ghana.
Okay, so
na yetumi eye bibia na yina ye papa ye bibia the national chief imam, the grand mufti of Ghana, ye man official pa. When you say the birthday,
yeah, yes, and the bibia by.